Let's get started, guys. Let's see. That day I explained you everything regarding market analysis. I hope everybody knew this. Okay, so this is previous thing. Where is market going? Please. Good. So let's get started with it. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the brand new live stream of zbit.com. My name is Yash, and I am a live stream host over here, which will be taking care of your crypto journey for the next 4 hours. I know today I came 1 hour late, but it was due to some work issues. We had to do something, and then that's the reason why I came little late. But that's fine. That's totally fine. It's just 1 hour late, but you get like rather than like going by 4, I will go today by 5. So 1 to 5 today's live stream, same exactly 4 hours of live stream, which I'll be giving to all people for anything which you need help regarding your crypto journey, your trading life, your anything. I am here for all of people help. Welcome user 901087. Welcome user 353445. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being on this live stream. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream. I just want to tell you this one thing before starting this live stream, that market has started to see, like Saturday, Sunday, there are always like a market is going in a sideways. There are no such big movements in the market. But today is Monday. Yesterday I did one trade. I told you to take one trade yesterday, and which I took, and I earned $5 from it. Not much, but yes, $5 from it. And today is Monday. Today, like maybe a very huge pump we can see, and we can already see the pump. Okay, we are able to see a small pump over here, and we hope that today we can get a bigger amount of profit. So I will be talking about the ZBIT in the first, and then we will taking care of your live trading. But we have that time. Utilize that one period of a time to do a deposit, because be a part with me in the challenge. Take a challenge with me, and as side by side I'm earning a money, you can earn the money in the same point. You can tell me, see, I'm starting with 100, which was lost. $40 was lost. I came to 60. Now 60 became 65. So it depends. Like maybe you are entering with 10, maybe you are entering with 20, maybe you are even entering with 200. I don't know. But whatever amount you enter with, please do tell me your capital amount. So that capital amount is basically the available balance. Okay. So don't get confused with this thing. Capital amount is available balance. So if you are entering with some different amount than me, then obviously you will be taking some different leverage. Obviously you will be taking some different take profits, stop loss, and every of those things will be different, because it depends on the capital to capital. My capital is maybe a little bigger or smaller according to you. So use the capital in a very wise manner, the leverage and every of those things. So whenever you enter with me, whenever you click on that take a trade and you take the trade with me, understand this thing, that you should be aware of what kind of leverage you should pick, what kind of TP or what kind of SL you should have. So you can tell me whenever you take a trade with me, you can tell me that this is my capital, XYZ is my capital. What kind of leverage should I pick? What kind of TP I should have, and what kind of SL I can have? Because SL is very important. Okay, don't go for a risk trading, like investing complete 100% of the capital and then waiting for like some moments, like maybe you will face loss, maybe you will face this thing. Do not do those things. SL is very important to keep your balance safe. I know this one thing, that most of the people, they don't keep SLs because of one thing, because crypto market is very high volatile market. It can fall for little 5 to 10 minutes, and after that it will again pump up. In that 5 to 10 minutes you can end up having a huge loss. So it's better to have SL, to have that small amount of loss, and re-enter from a very better price. Okay, welcome user 331525 on the live stream. Welcome user 509774. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. My name is Yash. I would love to tell you this one thing, that I will be taking care of your crypto journey for the next 4 hours. So if you have any doubts, any things regarding anything, you don't know how to use Zbit, please do ask. You don't know about future trading, please do ask. You don't know about how to find entry, please do ask. You don't know how to make your trade better or better profit, please do ask. You don't know how to deposit, you don't know how to withdraw, anything, whatever help you need from my hand, please make sure to ask me in the comment section. Because see, obviously I cannot see you. You can only see me, you can only hear me. I cannot hear, I cannot see you. The only way I can receive your any kind of intel, any kind of feedback is via comment section. So please make sure to understand this thing, that I ain't a god. I don't know what you're thinking. I don't know what you're doing. I don't know what anything you are doubt. If you are having confusion, if you are having doubt, anything, I don't know about it. So please make sure to understand this thing, that please comment on the comment section, so that you can have a very huge amount of relief from that whatever doubt you are having in your head, whatever question you are having in the head. If your profits are not going good or anything, please feel free to ask me. I am here for all of people. This live stream features is just for all of you people, so that you can take advantage. And for you to take advantage, you require to do an action of what? Action of asking, comment, basically commenting on the comment section, whatever you feel like to do, whatever. I earned this much profit yesterday. I earned that much profit yesterday. Can you do the market analysis of that XYZ coin, so that I can take entry in that XYZ, whatever it is? Understand this thing. Okay. After this, I would love to tell you this user as well, that see, I am telling you from so long time, but I am feeling this thing that you are not understanding it very properly. See, in my live stream, I come 5 days: Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. In 5 days, if you deposit more than three or more than three or more than three, if you deposit the investment, then you get free rewards, free offers, free USDTs. Rewards will be more massive, like you know how what kind of good rewards Zbit offered you in the new user reward itself. Free bonus of 20 USDT, then the free cryptocurrency, then the referral program as well. There are so much things we offer. So there is one more new thing in my live stream. If you deposit more than three or more than three, then you get the free rewards, free USDT or something like free, which I will be telling you in like mysterious way. Every week there will be something different. Okay. But criteria is in 5 days, at least each person. It's not about like complete in overall three. No, one person should do three or more than three times to avail themselves for this reward, offer, or whatsoever it is. Okay. Understand this thing. Okay. Do not forget. And obviously, see, deposit is very important. See, you do deposit from the homepage function. I'm just telling you to do the deposit from the live stream function. That's all. There is no difference in it. I'm just telling you this one very simple thing. Do a deposit from the live stream function. It's same. It's not, there is no difference in it. Like the homepage deposit is something different and the live stream deposit is something different. No, there is no difference between both. But if you use live stream function, then I will be giving a very huge reward for the most active persons on my live stream. As there are only three ways to make yourself the most active. One is comment section, second one is deposit, and third is take a trade. So you have to use the all three functions of the live stream function to make yourself the most active person in my live stream. Do not forget that, because the rewards, you all know how big heart a Zbit has for all those rewards. If you don't know about anything like how big heart of Zbit is, I'll be sharing you all the new user rewards. I'll be sharing you what kind of things you can get once you entered in the Zbit platform. Once you come to the Zbit platform, once you take that first step of going forward to the most profitable market, which is our crypto market. What kind of things you can get from Zbit, what kind of offers you can get from Zbit, what kind of rewards, and that to completely free of cost. None of them are charged. None of them are like is gonna ask you some deposit. Is not gonna ask you some investment. Nothing is gonna ask you. Every of those rewards are completely free of charge. We don't ask money from it. Okay, because like I said, we take care of our own people. This live stream, this Zbit app is one and only one thing, serving for making your life easy by helping you achieve a financial freedom. A financial freedom which you require in this nowadays life. Like we all know like how hard it is to survive in this life, where the inflation rate is going on, the taxes are like booming, and every of those things, like everything is getting expensive. Before we used to have the same thing for 10 rupees, now it is for more than 100 or 200 or 500 rupees. And we feel it and we get it. In this life we have to make ourselves stacked with a lots of money. And trust me, your primary source of income, if you just have one source of income in your life, it is not enough to survive in this life. So you need to add one more, and basically a passive source of income, which is effortless, which don't require too much of your time, which don't require too much of your efforts and hard work or any of those things, which can you do it from everywhere, anywhere, wherever you feel like. And only one thing pops in my head in that category, which can you can do it from wherever you want, which you can gain profit from wherever, however you are doing and everything, and it requires the most less effort and it requires the most less hard work. What is that thing? That is trading. Many people think trading is a gamble, but trust me, it's not a gamble. There is nothing like a gamble in this. Like there's no blindfolding thing. There are education. See, for example, if you see a magic trick and you don't know how the trick is pulled, for you it's like, wow, that guy is a god, that guy is something like he's doing some magic shit or something like that. But once you know how he did that trick, then it is not a magic for you. Same thing is work in trading. The time you don't have any knowledge of the trading, you will think that it is a gamble where you put money, it may become triple, it may become four time, it may become five time, or I will end up losing everything. But if you enter in it with a proper knowledge, with a proper understanding, then you won't think it as a gamble. Then you will think that it is a platform in which you can earn money via your knowledge, via your understanding of the market. And this is not a basically gambling. This is not a casino where you come, where you go by your luck. No, trading is not for the luck thing. Trading is more of the understanding and the knowledge you are carrying of the trading. Okay, so that's the same reason I said to you that if you know how the magic trick has been done, then that's not magic for you, that is just a trick for you. Same thing in the trading. It is not a magic, it's just a trick, and that trick comes from gaining a knowledge of trading, understanding of the market. That's all. That's all it will require for you. And I know this one thing for very sure, each and everybody in this right now life period of time has came across with one thing, which is like some reel, some social media platforms, or something which everybody is talking about a crypto world. Everybody is talking about crypto world, and there is a reason why. Crypto market came just 7 to 8 to 9 to 10, I guess 10, max 10, not even 10. If I do 2000, like 12, 15 years before crypto market came. Just and the stock market, those next commodities has been there in since ages. Like it has been more than 50 years, maybe. Okay, more than that. But still, why there was this market which came the most latest and is having the most huge market cap? Because of its profit, because of its benefits which is offering to all of you people, because of the benefits which none of the stock market ever can give you, could give you, none of the indices could give you, and none of the commodities could give you ever. Crypto market is giving you those things because it is the most beneficial, and people are see basically for any product. I'm not saying this thing like this just like crypto is very huge and blah blah. No, understanding the most simplest way. Okay, for example, just a product. Okay, a product, if that one product is very beneficial, very useful in the day to day life of a human being, then that product will be bought a lot, right? That product's value will increase, that product's demand will increase. The same thing happened with the crypto market. When crypto market came, people saw its benefits, people saw it useful cases, and then people started buying it, people started asking for demand, the demand increase, and with the demand, value increase. Whatever, for example, one thing, like if this is a simple phone, this is a simple phone. Okay, if you go, I bought it in like last of last year. Yeah, 2 years back I bought this. Okay, this is a 15 Pro. Okay, in this I bought this 15 Pro with the value of 1,45,000. But at the same point, if I am, let's say, a prime minister or something, or some kind of prime minister or something, like, okay, like a very like very, what you can say, a very strong presence in influencing or something like that, and like I have a huge followers or use those things which can make my value go up. Okay, and if I touch this phone, if I use this phone, if I go in the auction, now this phone will go for a more price than it was, because of a person. Same example, if this was an Elon Musk phone, this phone will be sold in a high prices just because it was Elon Musk phone, or a Trump phone, or a Modi phone, or a Shah Rukh Khan's phone. Because of those people have touched it, that the value got increased, the demand got increased. In the same way, now in the cryptocurrency, the demand has increased because people saw benefits, people saw use cases, and these use cases are seen by who? All those rich people. And when the rich people starts bidding in a heavy huge amount, then that's it. Consider it like you are in the auction. There is one art piece, or you can consider some artifact, and people started bidding it, started from $10, but suddenly one person woke up and said that I want to pay 10,000 for it. The next people will hear and will raise the 10,000 to 20, 20 to 30, 20 to 50, just because of the money which is invested in that artifact. It increased the value. Now in the crypto market, what is happening? None other than all these rich people, all these big people, all these whales, all these corporate, all these institutional people, they are putting their heavy huge investments into the crypto market, which is nothing other than increasing the value. That's what is happening in the crypto market, because they say they can see the value, they can see the benefits, they can see the profits, they can see the useful cases. I get it, for very obvious reason. We, the retailers, we don't have a use case of a cryptocurrency at right now period of time, other than making cryptocurrency as our financial backbone to support us in the some like financial case of the inflation rate, exchange rate, to save ourselves from getting deprived of our the balance, the like our currency value. If you are INR person, the INR value. If you're you dollar person, the dollar value decreases. That cryptocurrency can save you in that way. In right now period of, I'm talking about the facts. Like right now, generation are using it. Like institutional people are also using it as a backbone. These big whales are using it for like gold kind of stuff. Like you, the more you buy, the more you keep it, the more you reserve it for 10 to 15 years, the value is going to increase more. And that's what happening. Okay, so in this way, they are using a very heavy investment to put in the market, which is increasing the value, because they can see useful cases, which we cannot see because we don't have a use case at right now period of time. Because the way we look at the cryptocurrency is very different than the way they are looking at the cryptocurrency. Now, what is that difference in the perspective? Difference in the perspective is, we are going in a crypto market for gaining huge profits, which is no doubt we should go for. Other than that, we think that cryptocurrency is not a currency. We have forgot the main purpose of a cryptocurrency was only for sole for purpose of transaction. This is not a gold, this is not a diamond, this is not any like very rare natural element or mineral or something like that. This is not that thing. This is one and only thing, which is a currency made for transaction, and that too very transparent, very safe, secure than the one which we use, which is traditional. Traditional one is not safe, not secure. Why? Because we don't have a control over it, and we can't even see where that hierarchy goes. We can't even see where that people, like what are they doing with our money. Banking system, they don't have transparency. They never tell you where your money is going, from what the live pool is, from where they are investing in a huge amount, and how they are earning the interest, and why they are giving us interest, and every of those things they don't tell us. What kind of profit they earn from the per transaction, what kind of profit they earn. Like, see, people, I will make you understand this one thing. People feel, they get some common doubt ki, like, I, from my bank I shared you 100 rupee, you received 100 rupee, so there is no deduction in between. Then how bank is using that thing as a money? Like how people are taking cut from it, how bank is taking cut from it? Let me explain you one thing. Okay, there are so many websites, news websites, blog websites, or any other website which is very completely free of cost on the Google, on any of your browsers. Okay, now do you think that those people are doing a charity work, that they are not earning money from it? I get it, you can say advertisement, that they put advertisement and once you click on advertisement they get money from it. No, that's not the only thing. The engine works in a different way. For example, if you are at any news platform, news website which is completely free of cost in the Safari, in Google, where you can just be and you can see all the news, you can get updated and you can go. But you miss out this one thing which they don't tell you. The more time you spend on their website, just for scrolling things and getting the free news, free information, free anything, the more money they make. It depends on the traffic. The more people is there staying at the website for longer period of time, the more money they are generating. Same scenario goes in the banking system as well. The more you use the transaction, for any transaction, one rupee, 2 rupee, 10 lakh, 5 lakh, 1 crore, doesn't matter anything, they are using it for, like the same way in the free website we stay, they gain money from it. When we use the services of the bank, they gain money from it. On an average, I'm saying, just for using the services of a bank, every of those audience, every of the citizens, when we use the services of the bank earns up to 500 to 600 crore in a year, just for providing a services, and that too completely free. For us it looks free, but for them they are earning this huge amount in an year wise thing, in an year wise thing. And with other thing, they have that live pool thing. You think that your money is safe in that account, nobody's using it, but that's very wrong thing to do, because they use your money to invest in something. You might have heard about this thing, like some of the bank went bankrupt. How a bank can go bankrupt? If you go by that logic that your money is not going anywhere, then how a bank can go bankrupt? Your money is just sitting in the locker, then how it can go? That happens when some trade goes wrong. That happens when some investment goes wrong, that they don't know how to repay it, they don't have any profit, and they're going in a loss, and now they don't have a money to repay to other people, and that's the thing where the bank go bankruptcy. Got it? So, to avoid this control of the bank, to avoid the rules and regulations of the government, because they decided how much money to print, how much currency rate should be there, what depending on their economic and blah blah thing, they will make some changes and everything. Even right, we have seen this. Indian people may have seen it very with a very personal thing. Like we saw the demonetization, where the 500 and 1,000 rupee note was banned like this, in like a finger snap, in a day, in the night, that was banned. And then we were just informed, let's say in 1 week time they have given, like in 1 week, go to the bank, deposit your 500,000 rupee note, and you will be credited in your account that kind of money, and you will be safe. If you don't, then that money, whatever 500,000 rupee, has no a value other than paper. You make a plain paper with it, you roll it, doesn't matter what it is. Okay, so yeah, so to avoid these two things, like as any person, whenever we go in a corporate, whenever we go in some country, whenever we go in somewhere, the one thing which is common in every of those people, that they require freedom from these rules and regulation being imposed on them without their consent, without their concern, without their anything. Now currency has got that freedom. Without the consent of the currency, you cannot change the supply, you cannot create a demand of any of those cryptocurrencies. Whatever is there available, that is the only thing. Why BTC value is so high? Why BTC has so high value? Why Ethereum has so less value? It depend on the supply. If you think, like, see, when you look into this perspective, like there is very like diamond value, for basically understand the diamond value. Diamond is very expensive than gold. Why? Because of the rarity. Diamond requires like maybe like more than 100 to 50 years to make to be a diamond. Gold can be found very easily. Compared to diamond, gold is a lot, but diamond is very limited. There are not unlimited supplies of diamond. Very limited amount of diamonds are there in the whole world. That's why the value is too much. Even though it's just a stone, even though it's just a crystal, which is like the hardest element or whatever you want to call it, it shines, it looks good, it looks pretty. But the rarity is the one which is giving it the value, not the prettiness, not the strongest thing, not anything. Rarity is giving up the value. Now Bitcoin supply is the most least compared to any of the currency, like Ethereum, Solana, XRP, blah 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 blah. Bitcoin is just 21 million. After whole everybody has, for example, bought that 21 million, now there won't be anything to supply for Bitcoin market will stop once 21 million everything has been sold. But that is not the case which is happening, because every day people are buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling. It's same like you are going in a shop. You are going in a shop, you are buying it, seller is selling it, buyer is selling it, seller is selling it, buyer is buying it, seller is selling it, buyer is buying it. Same thing is happening. That's why we are still having that circulation thing. Like BTC has just 21 million supplies. Like after this 21 million, there is no BTC in the whole world. No BTC. You cannot buy it after, you cannot create it, you cannot decrease it, you cannot do anything with it. That's why the BTC value is such high in the market, such high. And Ethereum is low because of the supply. Compared to BTC, Ethereum supplies a lot. Like for example, BTC is 21 million, then Ethereum might be in billions or some other million. I don't know how much Ethereum is. Let me see. Let me see. What is the supply of Ethereum? Ethereum. Circuit supply is 120 million. Total supply is 120 million. Okay. So total we have a supply of 120 million. And compared to this, Bitcoin has bit. Yeah, this is Bitcoin. Yeah. Compared to Bitcoin, compared to Ethereum, Bitcoin has what? Just 19.96 million. That's all. Max supply 21 million. Ethereum 120 million. And BTC just 21 million. This is the difference of basically gold and diamond. Consider BTC as a diamond because of the very rarity, and Ethereum is little more than the diamond. That's why it's considered gold. Ethereum gold price is low. Diamond BTC very high because the rarity supply is very less. 21 million. That's all. You can see this number maximum supply in some different coin like Solana, XRP in billions. If you check, let's check some other coin. Solana. So yeah, this is XRP. Let's check XRP. Solana will check later. Can you see maximum supply is 100 billion? 100 billion. With the supply of 100 billion, even if you create a massive demand, massive to massive demand, even if you pour your 1 billion in the market, the XRP will never ever touch even the Ethereum or Solana price, because there is so much to sell, so much to sell. Every day you might require to invest 1 billion, then we may can see that Bitcoin XRP may can cross up to 50, 60, 100 or 120. That's it. Because of its value, because of its supply, that it is has 100 billion supply. 100 billion is too much. Just imagine, like, even if I invest 100 million in it, the total supply can be very less. Total supply which I'll be taking, the supply which supplies basically which I'm gonna buy will be very less in 100 million. That's why the prices depend on the supply of the XYZ coin. The less the supply, higher the higher the value. Today, I'm going to show you how you can invest in such coins which can give you the value just like the whales do. Like investing in the very early stage and waiting for, like, putting it in the reserve of, let's say, for 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, and after that gaining a very huge amount of money from it. Today I'm going to show you that one investment strategy which will work exactly how whale invest. But we are not going to invest in the major coins like BTC, Solana, XRP, because they are very expensive to buy. To be very fair, to be very frank, they're expensive to buy. But we are going to do something else. We are going to find out such coins for us, and I will show you how to find such coins, what to look for such coin which can be very promising that in the next 1 to 2 year, yes, that coin can go above, it can give me XYZ amount of profit. And trust me, it will require a very less investment, but it can give you a very huge amount of profit. I will show you each and every of those things right in front of you. See, I, like, since a lot of time I was talking about future trading, how to do future trading, what to do future trading, and blah blah thing. Today This is a spot trading strategy. This is not a future trading strategy. This is a spot trading strategy in which you are gonna buy a currency, you are gonna keep it, you are gonna age it in your wallet or wherever you want for 1 year, for 2 years, but do not forget the wallet account. Okay. After 1 to 2 years, it can give you a massive amount of reward. Because I get it, like not all the people want to do future trading. Okay, so today I am going to show you the most profitable spot trading strategy which can help you earn such a huge amount of profit which you have never seen, and that too with the very less investment. Okay, in very less investment doesn't mean $10 $20. Okay, it will be little more. It will be like in maybe 1000 USDTs or 2000 USDT. It won't be less than that. Okay, but that is a one time investment you are keeping. Like basically you bought gold, you kept it at home and you sell it, but I can give you profit better than the gold, better than any stock, better than any analysis or any commodities with a very simple technique which you can use it so many times. And that's the same technique, same exact technique which whales use. Whales are basically those people who are damn rich, like generational rich kind of people. And they look at the coin which is in a pre-sale. Pre-sale, like basically, like they are in a very small price in the initial stage. For example, when BTC started the trading, it was just what 0.5, 1, 2, 3, 4, $10. At that time, those people has bought it in a very huge quantity, and now they are having a like that kind of profit which none of the market gave them. If you buy something at $10 and you bought it at like let's say 80,000 coins something, and now one coin is 91,000, just imagine you bought one coin for 10 and now that one coin is of 90K. See the difference. Now that's exactly thing what I'm going to show you how you can do it. See, BTC time is gone, Ethereum time is gone, XRP time is gone, Solana time is gone. Very fine. For us, it is gone. We cannot buy those things in a very huge lot, because in a spot trading, if you want to see a very good amount of profit, the trick is in the quantity, not in the how the market moves or something like that. Okay, the trick is in the quantity. The more quantity you have, the better profit you are having. If you're just buying one coin, even if it moves like from 2 it became 5, then still you are having a very less amount of profit. That is just $4 profit. But the trick is in the quantity. If you buy in a very heavy quantity, then you're gonna get a very huge profit. So today, let's start. I will show you from step by step how to do that spot strategy, how to gain, how to like make yourself like basically investment plan, your all investment plan, how to check out those coins, where to find those coins, and every of those things I will show you right on this live stream. The one of the best spot trading strategy which is works exactly the same like a whales does. Like a whale, for example, like whales are having very huge amount of profit by just investing in a cheap. Okay, so what you need to do is first come to the trading view platform. Okay, I will just go back. Yeah, just search trading view, because trading view is the one of the best platform to see overviews of every coins. Okay, that is made for that only. That trading view is made for tracking all the market, knowing what's happening in the market. Okay, so welcome users 7873798. Welcome to the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. I am today showing you right now. I'm showing you the best spot trading strategy in which you can invest less, but you can gain maybe 10x or 50x or even 100x of profit, and that will be very massive profit which you will be doing. So it's same exactly like the way whale earns money. Okay, same exactly. So for that, first thing what you need, I will be showing you each and everything step by step. Understand each and step. If you feel any doubt in any step, ask me. Okay, ask me. The comment section is right over there. If you feel any doubt in any point, do make sure that you are asking me. Now, first thing what you need to do is go on trading view. First thing, click on the trading view, then you will see the whole format of the trading view. You can sign in. If you want to sign in, you can sign in, or else you can just watch the market from outside. That is also possible. Okay, if you want to sign in is completely free of cost, and the thing which we are going to do is also free of cost. It's not like you have to pay for anything or something. It's free service. Okay. After that, come to the market. Can you see a market over here? In the market, we don't have to go for indices, no commodity, no stocks, nothing, only future. We are going for future. Sorry, we are going for crypto. Okay. That at the time when you see the crypto, okay, where is crypto? You say crypto, go on the top overview. What is the step? Market, crypto, overview. That is again market, crypto, and then overview. This is the step. Click on the overview. It will give you complete overview of what is happening in the market at right now moment. Okay, so it will give you a complete overview of the whole market, what is happening in the market and every of those things. Now, after this, you have to go scroll until you see what? Crypto collection. Second step, observing crypto collection. That is the second step. What is crypto collection? What is crypto collection? Crypto collection is basically filter out versions of all the cryptocurrency. There are so many cryptocurrency which is existing right now, and even new ones are coming, old ones are there, new ones are coming, everything. Welcome user 195356, welcome user 878345, welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being on this live stream. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream. Right now I'm showing you one of the best spot trading strategy, which is one time investment, and you can gain up to max maybe 100x, maybe 200x, maybe 400x of profit from it. Okay, so what do you need to do? First, trading view, market, overview, and then scroll down until you see what? Crypto collection. Until you see crypto collection. What is crypto collection? Crypto collection is basically filter out versions of each coins, like total value locked rank, DeFi coins. DeFi is basically a coins which is not affiliated to any government. Okay, gainers, the top gainers, top loser, large cap, small cap, most traded, address with balance, most active addresses, most transaction, highest transaction value, lowest supply, highest supply, most expensive, most volatile, all time high, all time low, 52-week high, 52-week low. There are this many filter out versions, but we are in the need of just two. That's it, just two. One is 52-week high, and second is lowest supply. I will explain you why we are just picking just this two, because this is for spot trading strategy. If you want to do some different strategy, then you can use some different filter outs. Okay, so right now as I'm talking about just spot trading strategy, one of the best strategy, so we will use 52-week high and lowest supply. Let me give you what do you mean by 52-week high. See, in a year, in a whole year, considering 365 days, like 2025, the whole year was compiled of 52 to 53 week. Okay, so 52-week high means in a year wise, which is that coin which is stayed up, which is giving us a very good amount of profits. Basically, the percent the market went up in a whole year wise is good. Most of the people have this one misunderstanding that they invest in 52-week low. 52-week low means in all the year of 1 year, what is that one coin which is just going down, going down, going down, losing its value, losing its value, losing its value. Okay, people invest in those coins because they feel in the 52-week low we can find cheap price coin, but that is an exactly thing what they do wrong. See, it's a basic understanding. You will never put your money on a losing horse if you are going on a race. You will always put your money on a winning horse, not on the losing horse, because losing horse is going to lose. Obviously, a value which is going down will keep going down. There, you don't have an intel. Nobody's calling you and saying like, okay, do you know that from tomorrow it is going to reverse? Nobody's telling you that. Then why put a money on such value which is already going down? Put a value, put your investment in such coin which is going up in a whole year wise, not 1 week, not 2 week, not 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, whole year, which gives us a confirmation that that is one of that coin which is traded the most
in investment wise, not like trading taking out money, trading taking out money, not like that. Trading in like they're investing, they're stocking their money inside that market to increase the value. Understood? Now that's why we go for 52-week high, because we are going to put our money on the winning horse, not the losing horse. 52-week high is basically those coins which are winning throughout the year. Throughout the year, they are showing us good performance. Throughout the year, the percentage wise the market is going very good up, all those things. Okay. So once you tap on the 52-week high, okay, let me explain the lowest supply. Lowest supply I will explain later. Okay. First 52-week high. Let's understand 52-week high. And like I said to you, throughout the year, that coin has performed the best. That's why they are inside 52-week high. We'll click on 52-week high. Now you can see coin at 52-week high. This coin has reached their 52-week high, which none other way saying that they are the highest price in the year. Do some additional research analysis before the start. Obviously, it will just give you stats. Highest in all the year means performance has been good overall the year. Okay, now right now you can see there are 12 coins. See, this coin changes every day. Sometime there will be new, sometime there will be 20, 25, 30, 45, whatever it is. Right now today they have given us what? 12 coins to search. These are the 12 filter out coins which is high in overall year price. 12. Now how to invest? Should we invest in everything? Obviously no. Obviously no. There are some metrics you should be checking for. First is check the price. Check the price, because we are not gonna invest in any coin which is above $1. We don't want to invest a coin which is above $1. We are only and only going to invest in those coin which is below $1, basically 0 point something, 0 0.5, 0 0.6, 0 0.001, 0 0.003, such kind of coin. Because if the value is below $1, so that our investment, whatever we invest, can give us a very huge quantity, because that's what I said, in a spot trading, in a spot strategy, the best trick is in the quantity. If you have a heavy quantity, you are having a heavy loss, heavy profit. Okay, so we are only going to focus on those coin which is below $1, like 0 0.5, 0 0.001, 0 0.0001. Those kind of coins will be focusing. Okay, so let's pick those coin first. Right now you can see every coin is like right now today's filter is showing every coin in that way only, like 0 0.0000 so much, and 0.1. This is E minus. We want to focus on E minus ones. 0.001. Okay, this is just 2, 3. Overtake 1. Then we'll check Neuralink. No, not Neuralink. We'll check Overtake. Then we'll check Love Monster, and then we are gonna check Gold BNB, and then we are gonna check Arowana. Okay, we are gonna check these 4 coins. Okay, that's how you have to check. You have to check the coin which is below $1, plus not like 0.5 or 0.6, because that's like half $1. You cannot invest more in it. We want to buy like 10,000, 20,000 coins of it. Okay, so we have to check a coin which can give us that huge amount of value. Okay, now Arowana, we'll check 0.1. Then we'll check Love Monster. Then we'll check Overtake. 3 coin only, I guess. 3 coin only. Gold BNB as well. Okay, 4 coins. We'll check these 4 coins in the performance. Once we picked out by value, first step filter out thing is picking them. I'm ready to do business. What kind of business you want to do? User 520742. Right now I'm teaching you regarding the best spot strategy which you can use to invest. Forget it for 1 to 2 years, and it can give you up to maybe more than 100, maybe more than 200, maybe more than 4 or 500x of profit. So what are you ready with? I'm ready to do business means what? Like question mark on that. User 520742. Question mark on that. Okay, let's move forward. Once you come back, please do tell me what, like, you are ready to business for what, like what kind of business are you gonna throw or we're gonna do or whatsoever. Okay, 4 coins, like I said, 4 coins. First step, what we did, we checked the value of the coin, which should be under $1. Avoid 0.5, 0.6 because they are almost $1. In that way, you cannot earn good money. Welcome user 622615. Welcome user 398712. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being on this live stream. You are at the very right place because today I'm going to show you the best profitable strategy in spot trading. The one trading which can make you rich, like exactly like a whale, in which you can forget, you can quit your jobs, go home, settle, open a business or something like that. That huge amount of profit value I am going to teach you today in this live stream. Okay, I've already completed some steps, so if you are missed out something, you can drag the YouTube little behind and then you can see. But right now, like I said to you, in 52-week high overview, check out those coin. First step is that you have to see for such coin which is under $1. Avoid 0.5, avoid 0.6. They are not going to give us a very huge amount of investment. Okay, profit. So Oravana, gold BNB. Oh yeah, even gold BNB is E. Let's take 3 only. Oravana, Love Monster, Overtake, because there are no other coins right now. I don't want to invest in E minus 12 coins. Okay, I don't invest in those coins. Cool. Let's take it in Oravana, Love Monster, and Overtake. That's all. Three we will checking out. Okay. Once you pick the coin, once you filter out the coin with the once you filter out the coin with the help of performance, sorry, with the value, the price basically. Now what we're gonna do is click on the next thing, which is performance. Click over here. Once we click on the here, we can see everything. Performance in 24 hours, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 6 month, year, 1 year, 5 year, 10 year, all time. Everything, every performance we can see over here. Okay. Now what do we want to see over here? What are we observing in this thing? What we have to observe? Which coin will be filtered out? Which coin will be which won't be filtered out? See, we have to check that every from 24 to 1 year, 24 to 1 year, because 52-week high is what? 1 year performance. We have to see, first filter is that every 24, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 6 month and year, everything should be in a green. That means every in 24 hours it was in profit, 1 week it was in profit, 1 month it was in profit, 3 month also it was in profit, 6 month profit and 1 year profit. Every time it was in a profit. We don't have to find such kind of coins which is like first it was in profit, then it became loss. That is volatile coins, like it is going up, dropping down, going up, dropping down. We don't want such kind of coins. Spot doesn't work on volatility. Volatility is a biggest enemy of the spot. If you have a coin which is high volatile, do not invest in a spot coin over there, because there is no value in the coin which is having high volatile for spot trading. I'm saying volatility is helpful for future trading, not for the spot trading. Okay, so we have to check first thing, what? Click on the overview, see the prices. If the prices is below, after that come on the performance, see if every from 24 hours to 1 year, every price should be in every performance, the percentage wise performance should be green, 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 green and green, which will make us feel that this is, yes, that winning horse which we should put our money on, so that we can earn a huge amount of money. Okay, so Overvana, Arowana, 100% full green. Yearly wise, it has given plus 24,928% of profit. Then we saw was Love Monster. As we can see, Love Monster as well. 24 hours profit 70%. 1 week 382. 1 month 992. 3 month 80. 6 month 889. Then 1 year like TDD, which is like just calculation, or like average percentage 900, and 1 year percentage 500. Everything from 24 hours to 1 year green. So yes, it is also eligible for us to check out the further process. Basically you can eliminate in those things. Okay, like for example, if I have picked this let's say puppy love, okay, in 24 hours it's minus, 1 month it was minus, but rest of the time it was in the plus. Okay, but still I won't pick that because it was in minus, which means it has the volatility which I don't need. So I will reject the I love puppies. So what I'm going to do is, in that way you have to filter out. If everything is green, good to go. If even if in 1 week or even in the last 24 hours it's showing minus, then don't filter out that thing. We don't want to enter at that price. Okay. Over Arowana, approved. Love Monster, approved. And then the last is overtake. We will see 32%, 24%, 39%, 115, 962, 962, 962, 962. Over in overall way, this is also showing green, approved. Okay, all three coin which we picked approved for the further process. The process takes like 5 to 6 steps you have to do. You have completed 2 steps. First, you filter out with the price. This was the price. We had 13 coins. In those 13 coins, we filter out 3 coins because of the price. Now, in this 3 filter out coin, we saw the performance. All the 3 coins performance are good. In overall complete year, they are in the profit, complete profit. Not even a single month or single 3 month, 4 month, they were in the loss. They were in the complete profit from today to back to the 1 year. Complete. Can you see? 24 hour, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 6 month, year. Everything profit. Okay, got it? Simple. 3, all threes are checked out because all threes are in the profit since today to the back of the 1 year. Okay, now next thing what we need to do. Now each coins will be, we will analyze these coins, analyze the market, the chart. No, in the spot trading we don't do like a chart analysis. We more on the do in the analysis of the all-time high, the last all-time high, supply, demand, this kind of thing we do analyze in the spot trading. Okay, so all these 3 coins will check out if it's eligible for the further process or not. Okay, in the last I will give you all the calculations. What is your investment, how much time you wait, how much percentage we will be getting, and every of those things. Okay, so 3 filter out done. Let's check first Arowana. Click on this, simply click on this Arowana. It will take you the different thing. I will click on everything, love monster as well, and then overtake as well. Okay, now I have a separate thing for every coins. This is overtake, this is love monster, and this is Arowana. Got it? Cool. Now what do you need to see? After for analyze thing, what you need to see? First thing for checking out analyze is, where is it? Where is it? Category. Where is category? Why it doesn't have category? It is not having a category. It's a website, contract, Arbitrum, source code, GitHub. Category. They have not mentioned the category. How does the category look like? I will tell you. See, this is what category looks like. For example, let's go at 1 second. Let's go at I love puppies. And then if you scroll down, you will see category is memes. This is a filter out version. Category memes. We don't trade on memes coin because see, it is not something like you should not. I am not denying this fact that meme coin can also give you in a profit strategy a profit, but meme coin doesn't have like a very strong backbone for you to give. You will never know how much time is it going to require for that coin to touch even $1. Can you see what kind of supply it has? It has 4,20,000 trillion supply. Just imagine what kind of investment will it require even if the coin to touch $1. When the supply is 4,20,000 trillion, the whole cryptocurrency market cap is just, before it was 4 trillion, now it has came to 1 or 2 something. Okay, the whole market cap is just 1 or 2 trillion, and the supply of one coin is 4,20 trillion. See the difference, the kind of investment we have put in the crypto market, and it just reached 1 or 2 trillion, and kind of investment it will require for making 4,20,000 trillion. So we don't look for this coin. I was just showing you the example of that. This is the category which should be there. In about of every coin there will be category. If it's a meme coin, or if it's an altcoin, or if it's a stable coin. They will show in that way. They will tell you in there, like if it's a meme coin, if it's a altcoin, if it's what kind of coin, they will show you that. Okay, so we have to check this, but right now for Arowana, there is nothing written. It's just website, explorer, contract, white paper, and blah blah thing. The category is not mentioned. Okay, the category is not mentioned, but not an issue for us. That's not an issue for us. We will check the next one. Love Monster. We'll check out down. Explorer. Even in this category is not mentioned. And overtake, if we go, see category gaming. It is a gaming coin made for to help the gaming community, the gaming applications, the gaming everything. Okay, overtake is a gaming coin, not meme, but a gaming coin. Okay, it's not made for fun. It has a use cases, so gaming coin. Same like that in Arowana, Love Monster, there is no category, but still it's fine. If it is not mentioned meme coin, then if there is no category saying meme coin, then it is not a meme coin. It is a useful coin. We trade, we put our investments only in a coin which is useful in finance, because those are the coin which will be having a quick profit. People are going to invest them in quick because they are having some use cases. Meme coins have no use cases, so people don't invest in a very heavy amount in the meme coins. Okay, they like people invest only in those time when there is some news, when there is some trend, when there is something like the time when Elon Musk used to say something like Dogecoin to the moon, this blah this blah. At those time people invested in the Dogecoin, but we still cannot see Dogecoin even becoming $1. Okay, leave that. Now, once we saw the category meme coins, if there is any coins like meme coins, take that coin away. We don't want to enter in those coin which is meme coin, to be very frank. Okay, now none of these three coins are meme coin. Arowana not mentioned meme coin, Love Monster not mentioned, and even Overtake not mentioned. Okay, now next step. Once we are cleared that category is useful, not a meme coin, meme coins are useless. So next thing what we need to check. Once we check the category, next thing we need to check is total supply, circulating supply, and all-time high. Three things. Three things you have to check. Total supply, circulating supply, and all-time high of the market. Okay. Now, less the supply, high chances of that coin, like more the less supply, the faster it can grow. Maybe it will take 1 year or 2 years. If it's in if it's in a million, then it will just take 1 to 2 years. That's all it will take to reach to our desired price. And trust me, our desired price is not less. It's like it's not big. Sorry, it's not big. It's very less. I will tell you what it is. Okay. First, you saw circulating supply. It is 500 million. Millions are okay. Billions in 2-digit are okay, not in 3-digit. If there is some coin with 3-digit billion supply, like 300 supply, 300 billion, 100 billion, 150 billion, 120 billion, 400 billion, we don't invest in those coins because it will take 4 to 5 years and we don't want to wait for 4 to 5 years. Okay, we want 1 to 2 year profit. Within 1 to 2 years we should get profit within 1 to 2 years. So what are those coins? A coin which is having a supply of just millions. Okay, 500 million, okay to go. It can come in the price, it can come in the range of 1 year to 2 year benefit you can get. Okay, check. Next, circulating is 500, total is 500, both check. Okay, both things check. Last thing what we need to check is all time high. Why we have to check all time high? All time high means what? Like market reached. Right now the price of Arowana is what? 0.1. That is the value of Arowana right now. All time high means that Arowana was already a $1. After coming to $1, then it started falling to maybe something like, for example, where is it? Let's look at the chart. Full chart. I don't want R. Let's go for days. Okay. This was the all-time high, 1.1. Mark that XYZ Arowana coin has reached $1 already. After that, it started falling down, and now it is somewhere in trying to get up. Okay, now we have an option. Okay, we saw all-time high was already market reached $1. From there, it started falling, and now it is his time to start going up again, because our target is $1. The all-time high, which was $1, that's exactly our target. I will show you how. Total supply gave us a confirmation that this is that coin which can go up in very less time. It can take just 1 to 2 years. First thing confirmed. Next thing, that all-time high one was already reached, so high chances is there that another all-time high can be made. And like I said to you, our target is just $1. We want the market to just touch $1, not more than that. We don't have a target like BTC should touch 10,000, 20,000. Nah, our target is just what? $1. That's all. From 0.1 right now the market is what? How much market we need? 0.9. It will become $1. Okay, so we just have to find like what kind of investment we have to do in that 0.1. I will show you the chat GTP thing. We'll do all the calculation chat GTP so that there is no mistakes in it. Okay, in Arowana, first I'm showing in Arowana, then we'll show in the love, then we'll show the take, and then we will compare each investment which can give you the best investment. Okay, first let's check Arowana. Market supply approved in the 5 and in the millions, approved. 1 to 2 year it will take. All time high one already reached. Category is not a meme coin. That means it is a useful coin which has a use case. Okay, now let's ask the investment plan. It was good to go. All the filter out things have been clear. It is good to go coin. Now we will be checking out this one thing, like how much I need to invest, what time I should give, and blah blah things. Okay, the basically investment plan now. ARWUSD. Right now, ARWUSD. Welcome, Professor, on the live stream. I am today showing you how to do a spot trading, like the best strategy of spot trading, same like the whales. Invest the most smallest amount and gain the most bigger amount. Okay, right now ARUSDT is at 0.1 0.10674. This is the value. This is the value of the ARW. Okay, ARW coins value. I want to buy. How much should we buy? How much should we buy? I think we should buy at least we can buy is let's buy the quantity of it's 0.1, so it will take good amount of quantity. It's not 0.00 or something. So 0.1, let's try to buy 20,000 coins. 20,000 coins. We'll check what's the value, and after that, if the investment is low, like I said, to investment will come between in the range of 1,000 to 2,000 or 3,000 USDT. Okay, I want to buy 20,000 coins of it. How much investment I require? See, just 2,000 USDT. I feel we can increase our quantity a little. Like, let's go for 40,000 coins. It will give you good amount of return. Okay, let's go for 30,000. Okay, 3,202 USDT. Not much, not much. It is not like for one-time investment is not much. 3,220 like 3,202.2 USDT is required. Okay, that's it. That's your investment. I will ask the investment in the INR as well, so that you can be aware of what kind of percentage money you can earn and what you need to invest in every of those things. Okay, so 3,202 USDT. Tell me in INR. Basically, you will be having like 3 lakh investment. Okay, the investment of just 2,88,000, almost considered 3 lakh. So with the 3 lakh investment, now you got the investment. How much you have to make? You have to buy 30,000 coins, and it will just give you what, the investment of 3,202 USDT, which is approximately INR price is 2,88,198. Okay, exchange rate might differ, but whatever, I'll tell you approx. Okay, now consider that AWR USDT became 1 USDT it became from 0.10674 to 1 USD. Nothing. Not aiming for big, aiming for the very less. My investment, my target is the most least amount of target. Just 1 USDT. That's all is my target. That is all my target is. Just 1 USDT. That's all. My target is not big. Like I said to you, our target is very small. We are not aiming for 10,000. We are not aiming for 20,000. We are not aiming for any price. We are just aiming for 1 USDT, which is the most easiest target. A coin will touch $1 for very, very sure. For very sure. That's my guarantee for you. That it is going to touch $1. Okay. So, how much? How much profit you made? Give me all. Okay. So, this is the profit which you will be getting from if you invest in Arowana. If you buy 30,000 coins, which will be require you how much investment? Total investment is what? 3,000. See, buy price is 0.10674. That is your buy price. Total investment required for buying 30,000 coin is 3,202.2 USDT. Future price. Let's say in the future it becomes, hello, sir. Hello, user. Hello. Welcome user 8543227 and welcome user 510005. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. I'm showing you a best spot strategy of how to invest in the coin. Okay. So future value, we are just hoping the target is basically future price is what? Target. Our target is what? Till $1 will keep our investment there. Once our investment touched 1 USDT, that's the exact point where we are going to take our money out with the profit. So let's say that it touched 1. The future value of 30,000 coin will become what? 30,000 USDT. The total profit which you are earning is what? The total profit which you are earning is approximately, see, you invested 3,000, you got 30,000 USDT. Just with the investment of 3,000, you got 30,000 profit, which is you are earning 26,797 USDT profit. In INR, it becomes 24 lakhs. With the investment of 2,88,000, you can get the return of 24 lakhs in 1 to 2 years by investing in such kind of spot coins. You can make worth over of generational money with this small strategy which you'll be doing, because our target is not big. Like I said to you, our target is not big. Our target is just $1. Once that coin touches $1, that's why I said everything depends on the quantity. If you buy 1 lakh quantity touched $1, 1 lakh coins you are having, 1 lakh dollar, 1 lakh USDT. This is for ARW. Now let's do it for Love Monster. Okay, so Love Monster will take some time. Obviously, Love Monster is like having 0.000009. To touch 1 USDT, it will require more than 3 to 4 years. More than that. Okay, more than 3 to 4 years. But if you still hoping to think that, forget it, like you invested and you forgot that you have ever invested in this coin, I will show you one way in which you can earn more. Okay, even though like in this, if the coin is at 0.00008, our target will not be $1. Okay, our target will not be $1. Our target will change. Now what? First thing, check the total supply. It is in 4 billion. Circulating supply 4 billion. All time high is what? 0.008. Right now price is what? 0.009. The price has dropped in a very huge. Let's go for week. 6 month is too less. One month is also too less. Let's go for 1 week. So this was the all-time high, 0.0085. From there, market is just drop. Now suddenly it has shown some interest of market is trying to go above. Okay, this is that one moment where market is trying to go above. So So what are we going to do? Same thing. We'll ask ChatGPT, the investment plan and every of those things. Now, what is a love? LOVMUSD. Okay, LOVMUSD. Now, love MUSDT is at price of 0.0000094041. 94041. Okay, 94041. Okay, this is the value. How much investment is required to buy, let's say, 1 lakh coins? 1 lakh coins. Okay, to buy 1 lakh coins of Love Monster USD, you just require 9 USDT. It's not even 10 USDT, just 9 USDT is required for you to buy 1 lakh coins. So let's increase our coins. Let's increase from 1 lakh to 1 million. 94 USDT. Let's buy 1 million coins. 1 million coins of Love Monster will have how much investment? Just 94 USDT. Not much, not less, just 94 USDT. That's all. That's all. And now you have what? 1 million coins of it with the investment of what? Just the smallest amount, the smallest investment of 94 USDT. Not even a complete 100 USDT, but just a normal 94 USDT. You have 1 million coins of Love MSD, Love Monster coin, which is what happened. Okay. With this, yeah, with this Love Monster thing, you have 0.000094, and we have to focus on just last all-time high. The last all-time high was what? 0.0849. Okay, let's say in, like, it will take time because it is 4 billion first, and the difference between all-time high to current market price is very a lot, but it will take some time, 3 to 4 year investment. But it's just 94 USDT. You will forget what was 94 USDT. Like, where did my 94 USDT go? You just have to put it for what? Just 5 years. That's all. Just for 4 to 5 years. Let's say price became 0.008. What was it? 0.00849. That's all I will take. 849. How much profit I am going to have? See, you bought you bought 1 million coins with the price of 94 USDT, just 94 USDT. And then in the future, price becomes the last all-time high. We are not even aiming for $1. We are not even aiming for 0.5. Just the last all-time high, 0.00849. The value you will have, this is the profit. Investment 94, profit 8,490 USDT, which is approximately 8,929% of profit you can have from the investment of just like maybe 1,000 or 2,000 or something like this. You can earn up to 7,55,000. And even this is just a all-time, the previous all-time high. Let's say it reached 0.5, not even $1, just 0.5. With the investment of this 94 USDT, if the price is 0.5, you are going to have 5 lakh USDT, approximately 44 lakh 44. Yeah, it's more than 44 lakh, I guess. No, it's not 44 lakh, it's 4 crore something, 4 crore 49 lakhs, 4 crore 49 lakh with the investment of what? 794. But like I said to you, this is having a huge difference. 0 point, this has like almost 4 zeros here, so it will require a huge amount of time for it to recover. It might take 3 to 4 years of investment. Okay, but your investment is just what? Just 94. 94 is your investment. That's all, nothing else. Nothing else is the investment. Just 94 is the investment price. Okay, but you can earn such a huge amount from it. Same, let's do it for the last coin, which is the take overtake, which is a gaming coin. We can see the category is gaming, and we all know how much a gaming industry is increasing. So with the increase of gaming industry, this coin can also have a chance to go above. Okay, now all-time high was what? The last all-time high was 0.34. Right now market has 0.38. So right now market is actually at the all-time high situation. It has already broke the previous all-time high. Okay, so let's see what kind of investment we need. It is take USD. Take USD is at price of 0.38416. 0.38416 USD. How much investment required to buy $20,000 coins. Let's go for 20,000 coins. Let's go for 20,000 coins. Let's say if we got 20,000 coins, we have to invest 7,000. You won't be agreed to invest 7,000. Let's decrease our points. Let's go for 10,000. Half the value, something around 3,500 it will come. Yes, 3,800. Let's go. If you buy 10,000 coins of it at the value of 0.38416, 10,000 quantity, you will require just 3,841 USDT. Let's say it became 1. All right. So if the price goes to 0.3841 to 1 USDT, what kind of profit you are going to have? See, purchased 10,000 coins at the price of what? 0.38416. Investment 3,841. The coin touches 1. You are having what? 10,000 USDT in your hand. Total profit becomes 6,158 because you invested 3,800 something. You got the profit of 6,000 from it. Basically, you double the value of the profit you can get from such strategy. Okay, approximately 160% of the profit from the invest. Your investment came already, and that too doubled it. So this is one of the best spot strategy. The only thing you need to check is the price, then the performance, and then if it is the meme category, do not invest in the meme category. It will take ages for it to reach. And also check the supply of take is just 1 billion, which is okay. See, if it's in million, fine. If it's in billion, either it should be in 1 digit or 2 digit. Okay, billion, because see, billion will take approximately 3 to 4 years to touch whatever target we need, and the millions will take just 1 to 2 years. So if it's on a million, it gives you better opportunity. As per right now, if you see the calculation, see, give me table format of all three coin. See, let's see of all three coins. Okay, so the coin which is giving you a very good amount of profit with the less investment is right now, which can happen fast. See, Aravana coin was just 500 million supplies, so it can reach in 1 to 2 years. So right now for you, Aravana is the best. Invest. You can buy 30,000 coins. Where is that? 30,000 coins. Buy price 0.10674. Total investment just 3,000. You can get 30,000 from it. Almost 10,000 more. Like 30, almost 26,000 more from the profit. Rate of return on investment is 837. Love USDT will take a long time because of the supply. It is having a supply of more than 50 million or 50 billion something. Love is having 4.5 billion. Okay, 4.5 billion is the supply. It is a huge supply. It will take some time. Plus the difference between the current market price and the all-time high is very huge. So it will take time, but it can give a very good amount of profit from it. Other than that, if you go for that take USDT, buy 10,000 at the price of 0.38, investment 3,000 for 3,841, moon price, let's say that moon price basically the price we want it to touch is 1 USDT, it will become 10,000. You are having a profit of 6,158 USDT, almost 160% of return on your investment. Now this is how you should plan your spot strategy. Exactly the same way, three coins. See, not every day there will be three coins. There might be a more different coins. There might be more cheaper coins as well. As per today's chart, as per today's response, as per today's feedback, they gave us XYZ coin in which we filter out. These are the filter out versions in which I showed you complete investment plan as well. What kind of profit you can get, what should be your target, and every of those things. Got it? So this is the best spot strategy which everybody should be having right now. If you don't want, like there are some people who don't want to do future trading, fine, this is the one of the best spot strategy for all of you people. Make sure not to lose this strategy. This is the best for you to earn in a spot trade.
Okay. Okay. Let's do sign up. We'll discuss what happened yesterday, because after when I went, I took a trade and I got a profit. Not a big, just $5 profit I got. Not a huge amount, just $5. Let me just sign up. Before sign up, very quick, very quick rewards, new user rewards for every new people. See, there are 5 rewards which Zbit offers to all people. Once you click on the create account, you create your account, country code, email address, passport. That's the first step for you to enter in the crypto market. After that, you get 3 rewards in the starting. One is for free cryptocurrency from our side. It will be either stable coin, it will be either altcoin, it will be either meme coin.
out of these 3 different coins, you will be receiving one coin, which is basically Bitcoin, Ethereum, which is stable, altcoin like Solana, XRP, and third, which is meme coin like Pepe, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, something like that coin you will be getting. 3 different coins you can get, like 3 different types of coin you might get. Okay, there is a 100% win. There is no such things as you can lose or you can do something like that. Like they can lose, you either you will win the coin, either you don't win the coin. No, there is no such things. You will definitely, for 100%, it's a win rate situation, you will be end up having one coin out of these 8 coins. Okay, you will be having. If you are a lucky person, then you might get a chance to win Bitcoin or Ethereum, which comes in like algorithm said like 1 in 500% will get the Bitcoin and all those kind of stuff. Okay, now other thing which you get is like try first future try future try like try futures trading, limited time free new user reward, which means that we will be giving you a first free experience of how future trading works. Most of the people might have a little bit confusion regarding the future trading, like what is future, what is spot, what is this, what is that. You might be having confusion, so for clearing that confusion, so that you can know how profitable future trading is, what kind of money you can earn from the future trading, and how to use that future trading, how to use Zbit for that future trading. Each and every of those things you can get in that one free experience of first free future trade, in which you don't have to invest. We never ask you to invest anything. We don't ask you to deposit. We will provide you the investment. We will provide you the 20 USDT free bonus, which you can use to take the trade in the future trade. That 20 USDT cannot be withdrawn. You cannot withdraw that 20 USDT. It is just given for you to take a trade. Okay, just for taking a trade, they have given it to you. That's all. Just for taking a trade. Got it? Okay. After this, in the screen, see, whenever you open, if you haven't taken that trade, that first free USDT, first free future trade, whenever you open the app, it will show you on the screen to take that trade. Take the free trade of the future. It will give you 2 options like BTC, Ethereum, and then it will be just like buy and sell option here. You can pick, you have to pick your first market, whether you want to do it in BTC or whether you want to do it in Ethereum. You have to pick one. Once you picked it, it will show you, for example, let's say you pick BTC. It will show you a small chart, and in below it will give you 2 signal like buy or sell. Do you want to go for buy or do you want to go for sell? Okay, now understand this one thing. Just because the pop-up has came doesn't mean that you have compulsory have to enter at that time itself. No, you can pick your own time. At that time, just cross the pop-up, so that, see, because the time you click on any of the situation, let's say you went for buy, from that time 1 hour will be counted. In that 1 hour your profit should be there, or else the trade will get closed automatically in 1 hour. It is just a 1 hour free trade, not forever, not 1 day, 2 day, 1 month. No, just 1 hour. Okay, so make sure that you are entering it at such point in which in that 1 hour you can gain a profit. Okay, you can check, you can come to trading view, you can see the chart, you can see what may can happen, you can come on the live stream, you can ask me like I have this reward, when shall I enter, when shall I do what, and blah blah kind of situation. You can ask straight up directly. Okay, now after that thing, once you are decided like okay, now I want to enter, just close the app and open the app again. It will show you that pop-up again. The time, as much time you close the app, open again, it will show you the pop-up till the time you don't use that thing. Okay, and plus do not do any single investment before using that 20 USDT, because if you do any investment, that 20 USDT will be gone from your account. Okay, don't let that happen. Okay, so you decided that yes, I want to enter for buy. See, in future we don't do buy and sell. In the future we don't do we are not buying any coins, we are not selling any coins. What we do is we do a simple prediction of what? Prediction of the price, whether the price can go up or whether the price can fall down. That's the only most simple thing which we do. Whether the price can go up or whether the price can fall down, that's the only simplest thing we do on this future trading, the most simplest. In this way it opens us an opportunity as well, that we can take profit in both the market. Whether the market is going in the buy situation, price is going above, I can make a profit by doing prediction that price will go up. Or even if the market is falling down, I can just simply make a prediction that the market price can fall and I can gain profit with it. Both way profit is applicable on that position. Okay, now once you clicked on buy or once you clicked on sell, 1 hour your trade is active. If you want to take profit before 1 hour, then you can simply close the trade. That is also possible. Okay, it is not such thing like you cannot close the trade or something like that. Okay, if you feel like my profit is okay right now, my profit like I'm satisfied with my profit, $5, $10, 15, whatever profit you got, you are satisfied with it, so that you can change it, you can cross it, you can cancel the trade. Okay, simple. And if you don't, let's say you don't, then automatically in that 1 hour the trade will be closed with whatever profit, even if it's 0.005, even if it's 5, even if it is 6, even if it's 12, whatever amount of profit it is, they will do it. Okay, very simple. Got it? So now you need to understand this one thing: profit and loss scenario. If you are having a profit, that is completely your profit, which will be visible in your account. Even if it's 0.00005, it will be shown as 0.0005. Even if it's $1, shown on the $1. Even if it's 5, 10, 15, it will show on the available balance over there. Okay, now what about the loss? Loss, if you have any loss in that 20 USDT, you don't have to give any money to us, because we will be taking care of your risk and investment which we gave 20 USDT. Risk is the loss. Whatever is the loss, we will bear the loss. You don't have to pay anything to us. Got it? You will be only taking care of the profit. Once you have the profit, you can use that profit to take the trade, to withdraw, or whatever it is. You can withdraw it, but it depends on the minimum withdrawal. If you have gained the profit of, let's say, 5, then you can withdraw it, because minimum withdrawal USDT is 5. Minimum is 5. Okay. Welcome user 628430. Welcome to the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Understand this one thing: in my 5-day live stream, if you deposit 3 or more than 3 times, I will give you free rewards, free offers, and free USDTs. Do not forget, the eligible criteria is that you need to deposit 3 or more than 3 times in a week. I'm not telling you that what is the price you need to deposit. You can deposit 1, 0.5, whatever the USDT is. Doesn't matter, the most minimum to most highest, doesn't matter the amount. But deposit should be done every, like, in 5 weeks, in 5 days I come live stream. Monday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. In these 5 days, each person should do 3 or more than 3 to be the most active person on my live stream, so that I can give you my giveaways, my rewards, my USDTs. Okay, understand? Welcome user 347379. Welcome to the live stream. Thank you so much for being on this live stream. But do understand what it takes to achieve the free USDTs, free reward, free offers. In a week, 3 deposit each person, 3 or more. And that too, I am not giving you any conditions on the price. You can deposit whatever amount you feel like, but it should be from where? It should be from the live stream function itself. Click on the live stream deposit to deposit only. If you do it from the home page, not gonna count. You have to do it from the live stream function itself. Okay, good. So yeah, like I was telling you about the reward. If it's loss, I will be taking care of the loss. You don't have to worry about the loss. Okay. Third reward is basically this live stream, in which you get an option to gain knowledge of trading. You get an option to understand any part of trading. You want to understand spot, I can make you understand spot. You want to understand future trading, I can make you understand future trading. You want to gain profit, I can help you gain profit in the market. You want to know how do I gain profit, what do I do, what is happening, and blah blah thing, I will help you in doing those things. Can help you. But for that, actions are required. You should ask me on the comment section. If you don't ask me on comment section, then how would I know that you need help? This live stream is just your crypto guide, in which whatever journey of your crypto you feel like you need a help, or you require anything, assistance, anything, This is that live stream where you can come and you can ask your clear your doubt, gain knowledge, and any of those things. Okay, understood? Other thing, other thing. There are two more new things which is added in the live stream. Sorry, not in the live stream, in the reward sections. One is a referral reward. More people you invite, the more money you get without you taking a trade, without investing anything. More people you invite, more people you get, but for that invitation code is very important. There are 4 levels in it. In first level, if you invite 1 to 4 people, you get 20% of commission. In second level, if you invite 5 to 9 people, you get 30% of commission. In level 3, if you invite 10 to 29 people, then you get 40% of commission. And in the last level, if you invite 30 and beyond 30, you will be getting 50% of commission, not by doing anything, just copy your invite code and paste it over here. This is the invitation code which that family, friend, colleague, or whosoever people is gonna paste it over here. Okay. After this, another reward is an AI con bot once you log into app. See, in the web, it is not available because you can see I use web Zbit portal, but in the app, if you download it the app, if you log in the app, there will be an AI quant bot named Z on the home page itself. Okay, on the home, you don't have to go anywhere. It will be on the home page itself. It will give you what the most trendy coins to trade, because we have faced this same situation that a lot of time people get confused. What coin shall I trade on? I don't know which coin to trade. I don't know which coin is the most profitable coin, or which coin is trending right now. You don't know about it. Now that AI coin bot will help you in telling you whenever the coin is achieving certain amount of profits in percentage wise, then it will show you those coins, like this is the last hour trendy coins. You can check out those coins and you can trade in. It will give you signal as well that go for long or go for short. But my advice, don't be 100% reliable on the signals of the AI, because it can go wrong as well. Okay, go for your own self instinct, on your self confidence, your self knowledge, whatever you having of the trading. Okay, not just, don't just keep on relying on the AI, because might be a wrong decision. I'm not saying 100%, but might be, because AI at the end are a calculated feedback response they give. If they see a lot of sell orders in that 1 hour, it will give you a short signal. But after that 1 hour, suddenly a very huge buy order start coming, it will give you long option. But at that point, you have already entered for the short, so that you can have a loss. So make sure to understand the market structure as well whenever you are doing the future trading. I've told you this one thing yesterday itself. Future trading requires a very expert level understanding of market analysis. Without market analysis, future trading is gambling. If you do market analysis, then you are not doing a gambling, you are actually predicting the future over here. And that's what is required for you to do in the future trading. Got it? So make sure to understand this thing. 5 rewards: free cryptocurrency which you get once you open an account. Second, first free experience you get with the investment of 20 USDT which we give, and you can take a trade in BTC or an Ethereum, and you can gain profit from it. If you gain profit, that is completely your profit. Third thing is this live stream, which is a place for you. It's a one pit stop for each and everything related to the crypto world. News, come over here. Market analysis, come over here. Gaining knowledge and trading, come over here. Asking for trades, come over here. Asking for doubts, come over here. Don't know how to use Zbit, come over here. Each and every of those things can be solved on this one live stream, which is available for you each and every day for 4 hours. And I think 4 hours is a very sufficient amount of time for you to go for you to clear your doubts, you to ask your doubts, and any of those things. Okay, but for that, make sure to understand, for you to gain profit, you require to gain knowledge. For you to gain knowledge, you require to ask on the comment section. Got it? Cool. Then was the referral commission, which requires you to invite people, your friends, colleagues, family member, whosoever people you are inviting on the live stream. So not on the live stream, sorry, on the Zbit app. And with that thing, you get a free commissions from Zbit. Last thing was the AI con bot, which will give you the trendy coins in the last 1 hour, so that you can trade in those coins and you can gain profit. Understood? 5 rewards from the Zbit. These are the all 5 rewards which you get once you enter in the Zbit. And other than these things, if you have any doubt, anything, feel free to ask me. Okay, I can wait for some time. You can tell me if you're having any questions, if you're having any doubts. And I really don't believe, like, this is that one of those things, like, when I was in the school, then people, like a teacher used to ask me, guys, do you have any doubts, guys, do you have any doubts? And none of the people used to say, like, I have doubt, I have this, I have this, I don't understand this. And at the end they used to fail the exams. Then why don't clear the doubt? In your case, you might lose a lot of money in the market if you don't have knowledge of the trading. So gain the knowledge of the trading. This is the live stream free feature they have given you. This is the same feature which is paid in some other platforms. Like, for gaining and knowledge, they will ask you for some courses, paid courses, in which you have to learn trading, which I can provide you in completely free of cost. But you have to ask for it. If you don't ask for it, I cannot provide it. Okay, so these are all the things. Now we will discuss what happened yesterday, what kind of trade I took yesterday, in which coin I took a trade yesterday. I will be coming back in just a short break of 5 to 10 minutes, and then we will discuss each and every of those things of what happened yesterday, and then what kind of trade are we going to take today. We'll check out if there is any like if there any AI coin bot has given us some good trendy coin. We'll check out those coins as well. Otherwise, we will check out normal coins, which is basically XRP, Solana, BTC, Ethereum, or Resolve BT or CHZ. Like, these are 2 to 3 coins which I feel like it are good coins, which is giving me a good profit. So yesterday I earned a profit of 5 USDT. So I will change the profit rate as well. I want to change. I could have changed it before, but I wanted to change in front of you so that you can also see that yes, the profit has changed. Okay, by showing you all the history of what happened, how much profit I earned, from where I earned, what kind of trade I took, everything, and then I will show you the. I will change the profit rate. Okay, so I will be back in just 5 to 10 minutes, and then we will continue with our trading. We'll start our challenge day of turning 100 to 1000. Till the time I come back, I request all of you people, do a live stream deposit, be a part with me in the challenge so that you can earn money side by side with me. Okay, cool.
Okay. So we are back. Let me log in into my account. Then we'll start. Zero zero 3 2. Login. Come over here. We are the future, right? The future. Okay, as you can see, yesterday this was 60. Today it is 65. Not much, but yet still something. Order history, you can clearly see close short. Where is it? Not in the Ethereum. I took a trade in CZ. This is the coin which I used for trading. So you can clearly see my PNL is what? 6.38 USDT, which I earned yesterday by investing. I don't know what kind of amount I invested. I entered the price of 0.0310. So I told you that this is the price which will come in the market for very, very sure. And I entered for the short. And that's what happened. From the short, I gained a small amount of profit. And then again, the market is right now in the up direction. From there it may can fall again, because like you can see, market is making a uptrend structure which is making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. I entered at the higher when the market was trying to make a higher low. Got it? Cool. So now 16 minutes. Okay. This is somewhere the point is 0.031. Yes, somewhere around here I entered in the market, and then the market dropped down, dropped down, dropped down completely to the demand zone of the previous one, which you can see. This is that demand zone. I took my trade early because I kept my target very slow, because I was not sure about the target, what kind of target should I come. I thought about the demand zone, but there was a fair value gap in between as well. So I kept my target till this point only, 0.030
71. That was the target I kept, and the market reached to the demand zone, which is over here 0.03020, something like that. Okay, so with this thing I achieved my target over here, which you can see 6.38 USDT, which I earned. Let's calculate what kind of percentage profit I had with the yesterday's trade, and then we will put it back over there. Okay, I will calculate in my phone itself. I will calculate in my phone. I had right 60 and profit of 5. What is profit? 8.3%. Not much, just 8.3%, but still a profit is profit. Yeah, the profit has changed. You can see on the screen on the top. Before it was minus 40. Today it is just plus 8.3 with the yesterday's trade, which I told you I took it at the CZ. I even informed that if you can check my last, even if I check the last live stream, then at that time I told you like I'm gonna enter at this point. I couldn't get my price which I wanted to enter, but I waited because I knew market will come back to my price for very sure. So I did that wait thing and I got entered, and then I took my profit as well. Okay. Today we'll try to find some better coins for us, which is that coin which is been we'll look for those coins today, which is Zbit is telling us that EI bot is telling us to go for. So today is same, it's Resolve VT, and there is one new coin called DYD X USDT. Let's see what is DYD. Where is DYD? What kind of percentage a DYD is giving us? Everything is positive today. This is what I said, told you all people, like wait for Monday, because Monday comes with those things like 1 second. So this was that percentage things. I told you like in Monday, most of the institutional people, most of the big little like New York session people, the one which are investing in a good amount in USDT, not in tens, 20, 30, 40 USDT, but in thousands, like 10,000, 20,000, 40, 50,000 kind of investment they make in like after Monday kind of market. You can clearly see every market is pumping up. You can see percentage wise, not in a great amount, but at least it is in a positive. It is still pumping up. That doesn't matter if it's in a very small, huge amount, small amount or something, but it is pumping. That what matters. Now let's check that new coin. Yeah, this is that coin DYDX USDT. Let's see what is happening this coin. Okay, it is not a pump. Why DYD was suggested by Zbit? Oh, it is suggested for short only, because you can clearly see it is having that lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower high, lower low, lower high situation. I think we should enter in this coin and aim for not much the previous low. This is that previous low which we can aim for. First low broke, first, second low, third low. This is the low which can break again. I want to enter at the price of 0.213. 0.213 is the price I want to enter at. 0.213. A little consolidation over here. Consolidation always comes with a very that thing like we don't know what the market can become. As per the strength is decreasing. That is fine by us. As per let's see, I really think that we should go down, but the buyers are also pushing it up. That's the reason which I'm feeling a little dicey about. But I really feel as there is a very huge fair value gap above, we should go for enterprise market price open 50%, 20x of this. Let's open for short. Entry price is given to me at what? My entry price is 0.211. Why? The market was up. I don't want to enter at 0.211. Yeah, see now. See at that. This is what I was hoping to get the market. I will cancel my trade. I don't want to enter at this point. Close my short. 100% close my short. I want to enter at good price. Let's say 2.13. 0.213. Let's put it in that way. 0.213 is the place I want to enter with 50% and 20x change to 30x of leverage. I don't want cross isolated mode. 0.21, 0.213, 100% and open for short. Price 0.213 USDT 100% open short at that price. Let's see. I want to enter at 0.213 only. 0.213 only. If it doesn't happen 0.23, I don't want to enter. Simple as that. Okay. We'll try to keep our target price somewhere. I think my order is executed. No, it didn't execute my order. It came to 0.213. So again it came. Why my order is not getting executed? It is again like it came twice 0.213. Open short price 0.213. Bro, the market is coming at 0.213. Why my order is not getting executed? Market came twice, thrice actually at 0.213. Can you see? Wait. It will come to 0.213. See 0.213. Still not executing my order. Why? Why it is still not executing my order? When it's coming to 0.213. Again came to 0.213, but not executing my order.
It is at 0.213. Why my order is not getting executed? Why? What's going on? Why my order cannot get executed? This is something new. Why my order is not getting executed? It is coming at to 0.213. It should execute my order of limit. See, again it came 0.213. My order is at 213. It is not taking my order. For what reason it is not taking my order? 0.213. Why my order is not getting placed? Specific reasons for why my order is not getting placed. Zero point 213. Short. Let's cancel this. Let's try trigger order then. If not that, then let's try trigger order. 0.213. Okay. 100%. 32x of leverage. Open short. Success. Entry price 211. I don't want to enter at 211. Trigger is shit. Come down, come down, come down, come down. Why 51? Why 51? Bro, I said take my profit at 211. Is there something wrong with this? I'm not even receiving order. 0.213 is the one I wanted. Open short. If I put limit order, it's not executing. If I put trigger order, then it's executing at some random position. And even if I say take profit 211, it is taking my take profit at 212. Why? Made me lose 9 USDT for what?
Trigger order is shit. Welcome users 628430. Something random shit happened. I put my order at 0.213. It is not executing my order at 0.213. The order may not be filling it for this much price. Plus, I did a trigger order at 0.213 and the TP at 0.211, and still it took my profit at 0.212. Why? When I clearly said that it should be 0.211. See, again it came to 0.23. My order is not getting executed at 0.213. 0.213. Why not execute my order at 0.213? Exact same resistance, brother. An exact same, like same resistance, same support. Not changing for a while. It's not breaking down here. You earned money. Zibit had one issue recently. I put my limit order at 0.213. It executed my trade at 211, which I never put. Then I did the TP at 211, but he executed my TP at 212 by himself. And it is like right now it is at 213. I put my take profit again. Market goes to 213, but never executes my offer, never executes my trade. Why my trade is not getting executed? Something is, see, again it came to 213 before, didn't execute my trade. DYDXUSDT. It's not executing my trade. Made me lose 9 USDT for what? You all saw that I put my take profit at 211, but it took my profit at 212. Again it came to 0.3213. Welcome user 878345. Welcome live stream. Why you are not executing my trade?
It is 0.3 only. There is nothing else. 0.213. It's not even like there are some more digits in front of it. How much did you earn? Not right now. My trade is not executed till now. Once my trade executed, I will tell you how much I earned. Let my trade execute first. It is not accepting my trade till now point. 0.213 was my trade, which is never getting executed over here. Why? Let's change it to 0.31 at least. 0.212. At least this it can do. 100% open short. Now it is at 0.212. It should execute my trade now. See, it is at 0.212, not executing my trade. Not executing my trade. Welcome user 515301. Something's wrong with Zbit. It's not executing trades. Zero point two one two. This is here. My order is at 0.212. He should execute that trade. Why not executing the trade? Hello, that voice is there. 0.212. Execute, bro. What's wrong with you? Execute my trade. So many times I have to watch the market go to my entry point but not execute my order. Why? Why? Execute my order. Execute my order. You execute my order right now. How come my order is not getting executed over here? This is 0.212. My order should get executed over here. I can clearly see in the order book as well, there are people who are buying. I am selling over here. They can fill the order book with this much. I can see 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 4 million kind of stuff are buying. Sellers are very less over here. Then why my order is not getting executed? I am the doing short. There are people to buy. It's not even like there are not people there to buy. I can clearly see in the order book such a huge amount. I am just trying to do just 7,825. That's all. Anybody can fill my amount over here. Anybody. This all buyers can fill my amount. But none of them are filling my amount. Why? Shantanu. Hi. Hi, Shantanu. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. I don't know. Something's wrong with ZB today. It's not executing the order. Even if I can see in the order book a big order, millions Ks of orders are there. I am seeking for 7,825K only. It's not even like I am not seeking the perfect range. I'm seeking the most least range. That too price range is 0.212. Market comes to 0.212. Maximum time. You can see if you watch the live stream for more 5 minutes, you will see the market will come to 0.212 but never executes my trade.
Why? See, again it came to 0.212 and fall 0.212, 0.212, not executing my trade.
DYDX USDT. What is wrong with you? It's not like I cannot see you at 0.212. I can see you at 0.212. Even right now I can see you at 0.212. 212. Execute my order at 0.212. Okay. Prices they want to buy is at 0.10, 29918, 212. Somebody selling 212. Nobody's buying at 212. Okay. The price is the thing. Nobody is buying at 212 price. Nobody is buying at 212 price. People want to either buy at bigger or less. Then why you are keep on coming down? Go on to down to 8, 210, 26, 24, 22, 200, 298. Go on those price if nobody is buying at those price. Why you have to get stuck in this price? This is the price. You can see this is the price which they are asking for to sell. This is the price where they are asking for to buy. I put 212. There is nobody ready to buy at 212. But you can see like people are buying at 212. This is 212. 212 people bought. 212 people bought. Order not getting execute is an issue right now for me. What's the point of putting a limit order if it won't execute? Oh, you got stuck? Okay. Chat is stuck. I'm looking at the chat. There is no chat. Now I can understand chat is stuck. Hello, crypto aiming. What are you buying? I am selling for DYDX USDT. This is that coin which I'm trying to sell, but it is not executing my order. You can clearly see open short at the price of 0.212. Market will come to 0.212 but won't execute my trade. No idea why. See, again it came to 0.212. but not executing the trade. Execute the trade. A. Let's cancel. Let's put it at 21010 then. I can see at 10 a lot. Let's put it at okay 0.2110. A new one. Oh, 1110. I don't want to put. I don't want to put it 10. 12 is the best option to put. 100%. Try to X isolated open shot. It comes over here, but never goes in the online. Never goes online. My trade never goes online. Again came to 0.212. If the buyers are not buying at 0.212 and people are selling, see 212, 8 lakh 30. This are the price people are selling. There are a lot of orders over here, somewhere over here. 2, 3, or 2, 3. They are trying to collect from there. Oh, really? Really? 2, 3, 2, 5. People are putting order for 2, 3, 2, 5 over here. 2, 5, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 17, 18, 12, 11. User 628430, welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much. I'm getting irritated with this that it is not executing the order even though it comes to that price. I'm like taking money is not, market is not taking money. Surprised. Why my trade not get execute? Why? Again 0.212. It's fine. If you don't want to execute, I'll wait. I'll wait. Now it is an ego thing. I want to enter 0.212 itself. I'll wait as much as you want. The only order which is getting placed is 211, 2110, 211, 2110, 211, 2110. Very less of 212. See, in 212 people are buying, then why you are not executing my order? What's wrong with my order? I can see 212, 212, 212 people sell, 212 sell, 212 sell, 212, 212, 212, 212, 212 sell, 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 sell. If 212 is happening, then why not I can get 212? See, let's see if we can capture 212. Let's see if we can capture 212. 212, 212, 210, 210. Again, it executed 210. Try to capture 212. How hard is to capture 212? Let's put 2-1. 0.21. 8% of USDT. TX open short. Now it is 2-1. From 212, I became 211. See, 211. From 212, 0.212, I changed it to 211.
patience battle now. Have patience. Order will get executed. Have patience. Patience. Two, it became at 212. My order 211 not getting executed. Welcome user 178185. Orders are not getting executed. Are you facing the same issues? Any users? Can you confirm me if you're facing the same issues of order not getting executed in yours? Hi, user 178185. Can you try to put your order in DYDX at whatever price, like 1211 or 212, and tell me if your order is getting executed or not? What was the market price? 210 again, 210. Why? Why 210? Why 210? Why 210? Welcome, Eagle 963847. Welcome to the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much for coming down this live stream. Welcome. Please make sure that you are doing a deposit and being a challenger with me. I'm struggling over here with this DYDX USDT. I don't know why. Order books are not working. Prices are not getting executed. At least just touch 0.29. Leave me from my mercy.
0.029, 0.209. That's all. That's all. That's all I need. Then I will not enter in this. Welcome users 941471140480026. Welcome everybody. Thank you so much for coming on Sapsim. Tap on that deposit option, deposit the amount and take the trade with me. Right now I'm struggling in one trade. I don't suggest this trade for all of people. I will execute once it hits 0.209. Once it hits that, I'm gonna execute, I'm gonna exit. Mhm. Even if I put a market order at 0.211, I see the market is at 0.211, but my order is getting executed at 0.210 to 0.210. Yes. Why? I don't know. No idea why it is happening. 0.209 is the place where I want to enter. Make sure you are depositing, okay? Make sure that you are depositing. This trade will turn. Zero point 0.209. I can see people that want to buy such huge amount as 0.209. Still, it's not coming down. Still, it's not coming down. Executing big orders at 0.212, but not coming. One tick is 7 USDT profit. That's actually very awesome. One tick is 7 USDT profit. One simple tick. DYDX USDT. Zero point 0.209. 0.209. It will get executed because I'm not going to leave with 7 USDT loss. I need 7 USDT profit. That's all. I'm not gonna leave with 7 USDT. I know it comes to 0.209. I'll wait for 0.020, 0.20. 0.209 only. I am gonna exit or I am not gonna exit. I cannot give free money to the app. A new candle has started. 0.21, 0.21, 0.21, 0.21, 0.210, 211, 210, 211, 210, 211, 12, 212. That's all you're doing. Keep doing that. I know you will come to 0.29 and I'm going to exit from this trade from 0.29. 7 USDT will be gaining you when the market comes to 0.29. Not even aiming for big because this is not the coin which I wanted to try. Okay. I did a stupid thing of coming on this coin. Really. But it's a very profitable coin. If it goes in our way, it is a very profitable coin. But it is not executing the order. That's the issue. I entered at the market price. I put the market price what was at 211. It still executed my market price at, okay, it gave me profit. See, you can see my order is closed, P&L history. Where is P&L history? Why? How come it's just 50? Why my P&L is zero? Why? How come my P&L is zero? I said I want at 0. How? How can this thing happen? How can it give me zero? My profit loss was at 0.29. It should give me a good amount of 7 USD profit. Why I'm not having a 0. Why? How come? How come? Where is how come? What? How come that thing happened? I put my TP at 0.209. Market came to 0.209. I should have a 7 USD profit. Why it is not showing my 7 USD profit? It closed my trade at 0.209. You can clearly see that this candle came to 0.209, which should give me a 7 USD profit because I entered at 0.10. Still not giving me my profit. Why? How come PNL is 0 over here? It should be 7 USDT over here. Such a shit thing. I don't want DYDX coin. Shit coin. Let's go to resolve BT, resolve USDT, resolve. Where is resolve USDT? Okay. Equal highs, reaching equal highs, but after that a very huge rejections from both of the market. Same rejection. Too rich, from there fall down. Too rich, fall down. But can be liquid trap. From here it can go above as well. Who knows what can happen? Can't trust. Ascending is okay. Right now having a structure of this. I feel I should go for short because of you can clearly see that resistance resistance drop, and again the market is at resistance. But at the same point, liquid trap situation from a same movement, if a lot of time market come resisted, maybe the next time it won't resist and it will give us a breakout. That can be one of the situation where we can get a breakout. But at the same point, there are not that high chances. Or indicator of RSI just to look the strength, if the strength is actually very good or not. Okay, this is that high. This is the high of this. Upright fall. Mhm. High of this, straight up fall. High of this, two highs. Yeah, it gave you a diversion. Good. Here is the one diversion. Here I need one diversion. From this to this, it is okay. From this to this is also okay. From this to not a big diversion. Feel like entering for a shot. But the DYDXT USDT equal bottoms. Not moving in a perfect range, equal bottom. This is not a good coin to enter. Even though it gives a good profit, but it didn't even give me profit. I made 7 USDT over here and it didn't never showed 7 USDT profit in my account. My trade got executed at 0.209, which never gave me my profit. If I click the open long or open short, it is going to execute my order at 0.10 only, because all the people are ready to buy in that range itself, the 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Nobody is ready to buy at 12. For other coin, so it is 10% up. Other than this, other than this, other than this, Nairo, no Nairo. Su, Su USGT. SU USGT 0.0968. 0.0968. Very easy structure we can capture. Maybe we can capture the trade till here, but there is a FPG over here, okay, which can be a troublesome thing. I don't want any trouble, but at the same time, we are at a very huge fair value from above, which is not ready to conquer. But even if we conquer, we are going to conquer in the normal market structure, not a very bigger market structure. Market structure which is going on an upper, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. A big fair value gap over here, where our market is sitting at right now. Doesn't know if it wants to go up or no. Other than this, you can see market consolidated, drop down, and then made a structure of high, high. This is an absolute demand over here, which is not been respected. This demand is not at all been respected in any case scenario. We can probably aim for this. Exactly from that demand, nothing happened. Buyers are Sellers are not there because since the market has opened, market has not pushed down for even a little bit. Even a little bit, market has not pushed down. So buyer strength is there. Rejection is happening from bottom, but it is not. They are not able to throw the market below the opening of the market, which is needed for us. Sell orders are big. Buy orders are also big. Millions in buy orders are we are getting. They both are having a very exact scenario. In first point it has dropped down doesn't has to mean that in the second place as well it will come and drop down. Equal, equal, equal highs, equal highs, equal. We have equal highs over here. Same equal high, fall down. Only one demand zone which in which whole market is sitting at, respected as well. Demand came, went up, demand came, went up, demand came, went up. In here it took a small demand zone, but that was a major swing to create more confusion of the people. Right now, again from the demand, market has went up. From supply, it is falling down. That's what is happening. From supply, fall down, and from there going up. From supply fall down, from there going up. From supply fall down, from there going up. But what if this time it doesn't happen like that? What if it tries to like basically break the supply and then go above? But I don't think so. Buyers are having that much strength right now. But even though it's 10% market as up, there is a chance of market to fall 10% as well. No very great supports from the market from the buyers. And if you look at the buyers thing, like they are not able to make the market go beyond this level. If it crosses this level, then it's something like okay, I can go for buy. But it's still below that level. This this supply came down, supply came down, supply came down, again supply came down. One, two, three, four. Fourth time, I want you to teach me how to play it. Please, how to do it? I don't understand it. Okay, user 111287. You want to know how to play means like basically you want to know how to do future trading, right? Okay. So future trading means like you are not buying or selling in any market. Okay. What you do is you predict if the price can go above or if the price can fall down. That's the only thing we do in the future trading. For doing that thing, what we can do is we can do market analysis, like what is happening in the market, what kind of structure market is making, what kind of zones are there in the market, demand zone, supply zone, liquidity zone, a lot of things. In the yesterday's live stream, I've explained you in the more detail what kind of market analysis is required for all of you people so that you can start doing trading in the future trading. Okay, so please make sure to go check out that video and read about it, learn about it. Or if you don't know, then I will just tell you this one thing. I want to enter in the trade. That's why I'm waiting. I want to enter in the trade. 0.0.08067. Let's enter the trade at limit order 0.08670. That's the price, right? 8670. 8670 is 0.070. Yeah, this price is okay. We enter at that price for short and with 100% open short price 0.0807. 0.087. Yeah, that price. Ask, I don't know what kind of money to ask from market. There is one fair value gap over here in a day time frame. What it looks in a daytime frame, market is consolidating, can come down to the original demands, in which I'm telling you it can come down. Right now, it is just consolidation phase which is happening, in which 4 hours same 4 hours same consolidation phase, down, zigzag, 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 zig. That's all, nothing else. It has tapped it, can come down to that point again. Like how much will I use to start? See, you can start it with approximately like realistic. If I say realistic, start with 50 USDT. Realistic. If you start with 10, 20, you will get profit, but it will be very less profit, so that you can like to make that 10 become 50, it will take a long time to you. So my example, like my advice, start with at least 50 so that you can start earning good amount of profit with it. Like 50 can make you earn every day $10, $12, $10, $12. You can earn from the 50. From 10, hardly you can earn maybe $2, $3, $2, $3 every day. Or that too is not every day, because not every day market can be captured. Okay. So try to enter for at least 50 USDT. Click on the live stream deposit button, deposit 50 USDT, and win a chance to win like free giveaways. Because if you don't know about this, in my live stream there are 5 live streams: Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. In this 5 days, if you deposit 3 or more than that times, like amount doesn't matter. If you deposit $1, $2, $3, amount doesn't matter. But if you deposit 3 or more than that time,
you get to win free giveaways from my side, which can be free rewards, offers, or USDTs. Okay. And please make sure to check my previous videos. It is available on the Zbit itself. Check my previous video, because yesterday I have explained you in the more detail of how to do a future trading and what you need to do a future trading. Do you think it's ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you think it's ready to break? But going till that point is like way up. This much price it has to come. If it has to come. The drop, this, like if you consider in that way, like if this becomes a bullish rectangle and from here we get a drop up, it can come up to here, but that is a very long short thing, which is not right now situation. I really feel first it needs to come to the demand zone for anything for it needs to come to the demand zone. High hopes, high hopes, high hopes. Very close, very close. Order position executed. My position is executed. You can see 2 USDT profit till now point. Order got execute. Resolve USDT is but you are from where? Are you from India? Yes, I am from India. I work in Dubai, by the way. Yeah, this is like my job is in Dubai, but I am Indian. I work in Dubai and I am Indian. Okay. I hope you have taken that free. I hope you have taken that free thing, like free 20 USDT bonus. Did you got free 20 USDT bonus? Because I feel like you are a very new person on this live stream, and you never came. You downloaded. You may have downloaded this app like very recently. So there are some rewards which you might have gotten already. Did you use that 220 USDT profit, 20 USDT bonus amount for first free trade in the future? User 557961, welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being on this live stream. Thank you so much for coming down to this live stream. I have entered in the Resolve USDT for short trade. Right now having a profit of 3.35 USDT, something like that. Hoping to get more and more and more. Let's see what kind of profit we earn. Let's see the profit for this. 0.07723, 0.07723, 0.77, it is 0.07723, 100%, 64 USDT we can get. Okay. Or if not this, 64 USDT. Yes, I want you to teach me, because I have Indian friends in Africa. His name is Kana, but you have to go back to India and become all of them have go back to India. We worked together in Nigeria before. The they left. They are my very good friend. I love them so much as brothers. What? What? See, again, I'll reframe what I heard from what you are saying. Okay. Yes, I want you to teach me because I have Indian friends in Africa. Got it. His name is Kana, but you have to go back to India. But he has to go back to India. Mistake, grammatical mistake, and become all of them have go back to India. We worked together in Nigeria before the left. They are my very good friend. I love them so much as brothers. Okay, so still not understanding what you're trying to say, but as per thing, you want to learn that what the first sentence I understood that you want to learn. Okay, that I understood for very sure that you want to learn trading. I will teach you trading for very, very sure. And for that, okay, I will give you one thing. I will give you one course. That course is my course, completely free of cost. Completely free of cost. Not even gonna ask you for a single money from it. It is come to this platform which is called as CheezyBit. Can you see CheezyBit? CheeZebbit. Go in the live section. It's my video only. It's not something like, it's the same video. You can clearly see me only itself over there. You scroll down, 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 scroll. Yeah. Come to the most, like my first video. No, this was not a first video. Yeah, this is my first video. From here, if you keep on watching just my videos like this me, you can continue my whole course. This course is for beginners from exactly zero. If you don't know anything about trading, zero, I can make you expert. If you start watching from the first video, keep on watching second, third, fourth, fifth, and so on and so on and so on. Keep watching my videos and you will understand a lot about trading. I have taught a whole course completely free of cost. You don't have to pay anything. Okay, you just have to go. I have taught you from the very beginning what is everything, what is candlestick patterns, what is chart patterns, how is the market structure, zones in the market, supply zones, demand zone, liquidity zone. So much I have taught you already. Learn these things, and if you have any doubt, see, understand these things, read my like whatever, watch my all the videos in which I have taught you. Like you can clearly see over here as well, like I've started everything, like this is everything, like you can see me. Oh, that's me. Yeah, 1 year me, 1 year back me. So you can learn every of those
but
things.
Eve is so dead. So
Games, some small games I play. Okay. Again,
you are seeing
we'll
a chart is
learn
going in
regarding
a
the whole
sideways.
trading thing.
It
Okay.
is
So
going
understand
up,
this
taking
thing,
resistance
make a
coming
note,
down, taking
learn all
support
those
going
things.
up, taking
If you
resistance
have
coming
any
down.
doubt,
So you
what you
should
need to do,
watch at
come
least
on this
2
live
times
stream,
it to have
understand
that point of
whatever
resistance and
XYZ
support,
doubts
so
you
you
are
can
having, ask me
clearly
on the live
draw
stream.
a trend
Simple.
line. Okay,
Completely free of
so
cost.
this
Don't
will
have
be
to pay
the
anything.
S2.
Just
Then
efforts
again
has
from
to be
here it
made.
when
You
we
have to
will call
watch
it
those videos. You
R2,
have
that
to
is
learn the
resistance
trading
2.
from it. Okay.
Then again
You
from
have
here
any
it
doubt
came
from
to
it, come
S3.
to me.
Okay,
I will
so
solve your doubts.
let me draw a
Don't
line
worry about
over
the doubts.
here.
Okay, I will solve your doubts.
So you can clearly see I don't have a scale, so I'm just
The only thing
drawing
which is irritating
with
me
an
over here
arrow.
is that
So
from the
this
opening
is
price, market
how
has
you
not
should
came
just
down.
match
Even
all
if
those
just for a
points
little
of the
bit has came
supports.
down, but
One
rejection is
support to the
rejection is
other
there.
to the third
Fine,
one.
that's good.
That will
Two
give you an
rejection,
exact
good.
line
But
of a
already
support,
rejected
so you can
1, 2,
know
2,
like
2,
if
3,
the
4
market is
times
coming in
rejected
that position and if
I
it is
don't
going
want
up,
that
then yes, that is your
round
support line
bottom
from
structure to
where
happen
the
over
price
here,
is going
where
up,
now
and
it will give
resistance
us a
line is
breakout and
already
we'll
drawn here,
start
so I don't
going.
have to draw it again. Pencil.
But let's see.
Cool.
We are
So
at a
what is
6
happening
USDT
from here?
profit, 6.9 USDT
From
profit.
S3 the
We
market
receive
went
profit.
up, but
6.9
it gave
USDT
you a
profit we are at.
breakout.
Hoping to
Whenever
get
some
64
trend,
USDT
whenever
profit
some market is
at
breaking the
this is
resistance
the price
line
where I'm
or
hoping.
breaking a support
0.
line, that position is called a breakout, and it is said by an expert whenever there is a breakout there is high chances of changing a trend if it applies only on the reversal ones. Okay, in the continuous one there are a different thing, but in the reversal ones there are few different things. If the trend was in a downtrend and it break out, so that it will give you an uptrend. So that breakout point is so strong that it first of all we gave a resistance line from where it should come down, but no, the buying majority, as it's going in uptrend I'm talking about, the buying majority was so heavy that it had to break the resistance line and it went straight up. And it is said by and advised by an experts, like the more let me remove it and explain it in this way. Like, consider this is a line, and one time it took resistance, one time it took support and went up, another time it took resistance. The more resistance it took, let's repeat it for 4 to 5 times, the more strong breakout it will give. If it just 2 times it tested and give a breakout, it will be a small breakout. Like for example, this I am talking about. There is a line. It went up for one time, it came down, up, down. So this will be your resistance 1, this will be your S1, then from, okay, again this will be your S2 and resistance 2. If it just for 2 times, the market may have a little small profit margin, the market may have a very, very small breakout, okay. But if it has, let's say, more than 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. 5 times it has retested, 5 times it has bad network yaar.
Fine.
Are you having bad network from my side or
I think
bad network from your side? I am not understanding.
For short will
Can anyone in the chat just give me an confirmation if my video is visible to you, like in a very okay manner, like you not having any lag issue or something? Because I can't see over here. Nah, it is smooth. Okay, so money by vlog by Ashish, I would recommend you to check your like data network or again, or you can just go back and come back again, so you won't have a lag. Cool. So as I was explaining, when the market tests itself a lot of time, money is having an issue. Okay, cool meme coin. Let's not distract from my topic.
Please do tell me.
As I was saying, this testing things, when it goes up, goes down, it happens like a spring. The more you make the spring small, the more higher it jumps, right? It's the best example for you to understand this thing. So just understand it in this way, like the more it will drop, go to the resistance point, come back to money bhai recharge dalo. Okay. So as I told you, it works like a spring way. The more you drop, the more market, like, what do you say? The more market press itself in a very singular point. Like it is having a very singular point to press. It is going in that situation only. So the more pressure it is taking and more pressure buyers are taking and sellers are taking to change the trend because they want to change it. It just the meanwhile time. For giving a perfect example, it just like, for example, this is a time period where you had a fight with it, right? Fight with someone, okay? And there is a one person who is now calling his brothers, people or someone, like, I want this, someone did this to me, I want him to be beaten and blah, 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 blah. And he is calling people. The more people he will bring, the more like for example, 2 people are fighting, I'm saying. Okay, so the more people this guy will bring. Let's imagine if this is a buyer and he brings at least 100 people. So the 100 people majority will beat that other guy and he will won the fight and he will have an uptrend. And as exactly vice versa, if this is a seller, which is this, and he has a fight with a buyer and he brings at least, let's say, 100 people to beat the buyers. So the buyers will be gone and we will have a downtrend. It's the best version to explain, I feel.
That is totally common.
So it basically works like a spring. The more you press it, the more higher it will jump. Cool. So as we were talking over here, draw a line, S2, S3, R2. And we got a breakout over here. Breakout can be a fake breakout as well, because most of the time we have seen one thing in the chart pattern, that a lot of company, huge people, they know that how to target these small people, because small people will take small amount. But if you calculate this way, one small people have a very less profit, have a very less investment. But just consider 10,000 small people have invested 200-2,000 rupees. It becomes a huge amount of things. And if everyone hits their stop loss, by a fake breakout or something, it is a profit to the business people. It is a profit to the big organization. So always make sure that you are aware. I will make you understand it in a chart. Okay. So I guess you have understood how to identify a triple bottom chart pattern. Okay. Now let's try to understand how it looks. Okay. You can see my screen, right? Okay. So on my screen, you can see a real-time graph of the crypto market, and here you can see the graph is going down as the condition. We should have a downtrend, which is check, and then you can clearly see the market went down, and at a certain point, that is a bottom one, it took a support and went back again, and then from the other point it took again a resistance. The market couldn't go above that level. It waited, it came down, then again the same thing happened. It took support from here, again went up, took resistance on exactly very same place. Okay, I want to tell you one thing before going forward. This support line can vary. It is not like the support level should be the same.
a triangle,
either it can
which
be
can
like
give
the
us more.
previous, for example,
In that way, I feel like we are secure.
this
in the
support
trade.
can be little
We don't have
above
to
and
worry
this can
regarding
be
trade. I
little
feel that way
below,
I'm
this
secure
can be
because
at
it
the
is
same
a
level.
very
So
triangle.
it doesn't matter if they are at the same level. It can have a very small amount of difference, which is
Resistance, and
totally
normally
fine,
they
which
take
is totally okay.
what picture is
Cool.
not fair, picture is not fair.
And same
Normally
goes for
it
the
will take
resistance
4 to
as well.
5.
It is
1,
totally
2,
fine
3,
even if it
4,
has a very
4
small
resistors.
minute differences
Even
between
in
them.
our,
That is
even
totally
if we
fine.
have to see here 1, 2, 3.
So from
4
here you
resistors.
can see the
Fifth
market
should
went
give the
up
breakout.
from one certain position.
We
It
are
took
going for a
support,
good trade.
another position
We
it
are
took
not
resistance
going
and
for
came down,
bad
and
trade,
from
we are
a
going
very
for good
small
trade.
position again it went up,
It's a
came
bullish
down, went
candle.
up, and from here whenever you see
above.
two resistance or two support, the first thing you should do in a mind to analyze the further market, keep that thing in a mind. Whenever you see two resistance point which is very at a same point, two support point which vary at a same point, you draw a line. You will just go and you will draw one line over here, and you will go and you will draw one line on the support line. Okay, so this will give you a very clarity of where is the resistance point, where is the support point, and you will have a very clarity of what candle is giving you, which candle is giving you a breakout, because that's the candle where we will put our trade. So to how to trade in the triple bottom pattern, first thing, analyze the chart, make the shape out of it, because if there is no this triangle up and down shape, it is very hard to identify if it's a triple bottom or not. So you should always put a shape and put trend line to analyze which breakout is giving up or down breakout. Okay, after that you have to focus on the candle which gave you a breakout. If that candle is very small, wait for the next candle to form, because like I told you, fake breakouts are very common in this situation. So you should wait for the next candle to form. Okay, after that what happens, you will place your buy order. If this candle is okay, it's not that small, it is kind of big only, so you will put your buy order on the H point. I have already explained you that there are certain things like H, L. Okay, for the new people, if people have newly joined, I will just quickly explain to them. Okay, so this is how a candle looks. This is an L point, the lowest point where the market reached. This point is H, the highest point where the market has reached. This is, if it's a green candle, the opening will be from down and the closing will be above. But if it's a red candle, the opening will be above and the closing will be below. Because the logic behind this, if it's a green candle, that means the price is going high. If it has opened at 90 rupee, then it is closing at 100 rupee. That's a 10 rupee profit over here. But same thing, if the market has opened with 100 rupee and it fall down by the seller and it reached to the 90, that is a loss of 10 rupee. That's why the candle is red. So this is a very basic thing which I explained very fast, so you can, my new people can understand what is H and L I talk about. Okay, so as I told you and as I explained you, H point of the candle, the breakout candle, make sure I'm repeating it again and again, the breakout candle should be your buying position, because it's giving you an uptrend, it's a bullish chart pattern, so you will buy. And you have to put the stop loss as below as possible. Make sure this thing in a mind. Be aware of a fake breakout. So you can see this candle gave breakout. Go to the previous candle and find its low point, that is L, and this will be your stop loss. Stop loss I have denoted with SL. Okay, so SL, stop loss, and H point where you will buy. So I guess this chart pattern is clear to you. Whenever you see triple bottom chart pattern, first thing what you make, you watch two resistance, you watch two support, then draw the lines, resistance line, support line, and then you will wait for the chart to give you a breakout. Whichever candle gives you a breakout, the H point will be your buy point if it gives you an uptrend, and L point will be your stop loss. Cool? Let's go ahead to our next chart pattern. Okay. So our next chart pattern is called head and shoulder. Because if you look in this way, like if this is like, I don't have a gym shoulders, but if you have seen a gym shoulders, it will have a huge bump over here, then there is a head, and then there will be another bump over here. Okay, so that's why it is called an head and shoulder pattern. Cool. Now let's try to analyze how to understand this pattern and how you can trade in it. First thing, the first condition, that head and shoulder pattern is a downtrend pattern, is a bearish pattern where sellers will get active and will let the price go down, down and down. Okay, so for being in a downtrend, what trend it should have the first? Please drop your answers in the comment section, and until and unless I go forward, but make sure that you are dropping your answers in the comment section. What trend is this? The market is coming from here. Pen I need. Okay. The market is coming from here and going above. It's a very, very basic thing. I have told you several times what trend it is. So can anyone in the chat, can anyone in the audience tell me what trend it is? Uptrend? Yes, it is an uptrend. Thank you so much, Rajadashini and Namalai, for the answer. Uptrend, bro. Okay, yeah, nice meme coin, and I have finished that question. Thank you for your answers. And like I said, first condition of a bearish candle, uptrend, because it's a reversal patterns. Okay, now next thing is
started dropping down.
You have to see like the market went up, and at certain point it gave the market down, which means that is a resistance point. Cool. Then the market came down, it took a support and jumped up, and it jumped, and again in a certain point it took another resistance and came down. The market fall, and then it came here, took another support, that is an S2. Okay, and from here it took a smaller resistance again. This is another condition for a head and shoulder pattern, that the both shoulder resistance should be below the head. So the head resistance, head should have, like for example, it took market reached over here and fall down, but another time it should go beyond the before resistance, the previous resistance, it should go above it. Bull. Yes, Rishikesh Kasbage, it's a bull. I guess your phone is lacking so much. I asked that question 15 minutes ago, brother. Okay. Now, as I told you that the head's resistance should be more above than the previous ones. Okay, so previous one will be the below and head will be on the top. That is a condition for it to be called a head and shoulder pattern. First condition, it should be in a down uptrend, and second condition, the resistance of head should be above the both shoulders. And one of thing, you might have a very common question over here, or very common answer, confusion, that what about a shoulder? Should be they in the same position? No, you are not. Like it's not okay. Even if it's same position, okay. If it varies a little bit, that is also fine. Even if it varies a little, like more, like your shoulder is like this, like you are like this, that is also fine. Because even if people are like this, that's a shoulder for them as well. Okay. Cool. So that's how you understand it. And when you see how you draw your support line. Okay. Whenever you see two support line, without looking at it. Okay. Sorry. Without looking at it, you just have to draw up a line, and you just have to match S1 to S2. That's it. You have to take 2 points and you have to match your line on 2 points. S1 and S2. That will give you your support line. Okay. So let's understand in more clarity in a chart. Cool. Pencil and zoom. Okay, so you can see it's zoomed right now, and from here the market price is increasing. It's in an uptrend, which is our condition. So the first condition,
you have anything lag to say, you have anything to ask, please feel free
lag
to say.
Says, I don't know. Okay, so the first condition of the head and shoulder pattern is that it should be in an uptrend, which is true. Then second thing, we should analyze that the head part should be above the both shoulder. Okay, and next thing which we have to check is the support line, the S1 and S2. You just have to draw a line and you have to make it. You can see over here one thing, that this support is actually little above than the other one, which is totally fine. You just have to match those 2 points and you will get your support line. Okay, and you don't have to draw a resistance line over here. You just need a support line in head and shoulder pattern, because you can clearly see that these all three have a different resistance, but the both point, whenever the market has fall, it has a very similar support. Cool. So this will be your resistance support line, and from here you can clearly see, okay, I have zoomed it, you can clearly see this is your breakout candle, and from here again it gave you a fake breakout, it went up, it made you hit your stop loss, and then it again went down and again went up. So this is a very very common thing of a breakout. So if you don't want to be inside, if you don't want to lose your money with those fake breakouts, try to keep your stop loss as above as you can. Okay, so your entry point will be this candle, the breakout candle, and again the same thing over here. If you want to like invest, if you want to, as it's a downtrend which is a bearish movement, so what we will do, we will short sell it. And where we will short sell it? I'm very sure that I'm the lowest point, the breakout candle L point will be your short sell order, where you will put your short sell order, and the breakout candles previous 2 candles, or wherever you see, like you can see like these 2 candles are at the toppest position, so that will be your stop loss. Because understand this one thing, stop loss is at the same time very necessary to put, because it saves your money as well. Okay, so the L point of the breakout candle will be your short sell position, where you will enter the market. And how much target to take? It's a very simple. In this chart patterns, I will make you understand one thing. So there is one in a trading view platform, or in all those platforms where you can see a chart pattern, there is one indicator called as a margin profit candle, not candle, margin profit indicator. You can see that indicator in all those trading view platform wherever there is a chart available. Okay, so you just click on that margin profit indicator, and from the the R2, okay, this is R2 for example, this is R1 and R3. Okay, from the head point, can give me huge profit. My margin profit indicator. Yes, Vlogger X margin profit indicator. It's a tool where you can just drag it, and he will give you a certain point, like let's say from here to there, he will give you a certain point, like how much profit, how much the market has fallen from here. So that is your target. For example, if the market has fallen for 5% within this distance, the R2 from the support line, so that will be your target, exactly the same target, 5% of downtrend you can expect in a head and shoulder pattern. Whatever is the distance between R2 and support, whatever is a margin profit in your R2 and support line, that same profit will be in the bottom. Okay. Support point will be in the bottom. So I guess you have understood where you take entry, where you take exit, where you put your stop loss, and how much of profit margin you can expect. Cool. Now let's move to our next chart pattern, which is an exactly opposite of what we just heard. That is head and shoulder chart pattern. You come live every day. Yes, we come live every day, and Vlogger X, we come live every day, and we come live at Dubai time, which is 6 to 7, and we have increased the time as well. Not every time we will do 1 hour. Sometimes we extend it to 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. It depends on the content. It depends on our thing. And other thing, for the India time, if you are in the India, is it like a class? No, it's not like a class.
12 minutes and
it's just like I want to teach all those people like how to analyze a chart pattern. This is not a class. I'm not a teacher. I'm just a very friendly live stream host which is teaching in this platform. This Cheesy Bit platform is where you can learn about crypto, where you can learn about all those things which can give you a profit. And this is one of those where you can actually, by analyzing a chart pattern, you can earn a lot good profit. Because without chart pattern, without understanding indicators and candlesticks, there won't be any profit in your. It will be just like a blind people doing and trading. He won't know if there is a profit. He won't know if there is a sell. So Vlogger X, this is not like a class. It's just like we just come here every day, stream for you for 1 hour, 2 hours, something, and I will just like tell you about how to analyze the chart pattern. Before that, if you came here for the first time, I've already done 3 series for how to understand a candlestick patterns, and this is my second series, how to understand a chart pattern, in which I tell you how to analyze it and then how to take a trade in it. So I guess I may have answered all your queries. And yes, we come every day. Okay. So our next candle which you can see right here is exactly opposite of an head and shoulder pattern. Okay. So from here, first let's analyze as we talked about. This is a bullish candle, chart pattern. Before that, head and shoulder was a bearish chart pattern. Yeah, I want to learn how to analyze chart pattern only. Good. So in the yesterday's stream, I've actually started this series. So I've explained 3 chart patterns in the last series and last stream, and today I have finished. Actually, this is my 5th one, which I have finished. 6th actually. Sorry, 6th chart pattern which I have finished. I have 6 more to finish. So if you want to learn about these things, every time whenever the stream ends, it will get uploaded on our YouTube platform, so you can go back, you can watch it at whatever time you feel free. You can just go click on those chart patterns, click on those videos, and you can learn about the chart patterns. If you directly want to learn chart pattern, you can skip the starting part, because in the starting part we actually talk about some hot news which is happening around the crypto, which is very important, because you have to know what's happening in the news whenever if you want to trade or something. And today I played some games as well. So if you want to just learn the specific thing, I suggest you that you skip all those unnecessary part and you focus on this thing. I will start from the beginning. I was browsing so many videos, but you are good explaining. I am good explaining. Okay. I am a good explainer.
Welcome.
Thank you so much.
5574. Welcome.
I will see the first video now. No. Don't go. I am suggesting that let this stream end, then you can go. If you are here, then you can like be with the stream. You can watch whatever I'm teaching. So you don't have to leave. Stay there wherever you are and enjoy the stream. So we'll finish this inverse head and shoulder pattern. So what's happening in this? So as I told you, this is a reversal pattern. The first, and it's a bullish. I will write it down for your understanding. It's a bullish.
Coming close.
It's a bullish chart pattern. So whenever there is a bullish chart pattern, first it should be in a downtrend to get the market low, and then it will give you a bullish pattern. What is actually happening? Zuhanzu Yash. Hello, Zuhanzu. And Yuhan. Yeah.
What's up?
So as I told you again, right now situation where the market is in the downtrend, the market is falling down. So there is lot heavy chances that it will straight go up as well. For the new investor who want to invest, this is a very good time to enter in the market, because buyer has that mentality to buy the stock, buy the coin, buy whatever you want to buy in a crypto or stock market at the least point, so he can have a maximum profit, which is a very basic knowledge for it. Okay, so we will move forward, and as I told you, first it's in a downtrend, it is going down. At a one single point, it took a support. We will give it a name S1. You will see it in a graph very commonly that from one point the market goes up again. That point is called a support point. The market took support from that point and went up. Then it went up and again of a certain point the market fall. That falling thing is called as a resistance point. So this will be your R1 resistance point where the market fall. It fall, it went down and down. It crossed the previous support and it went again more down. And then it took another support. Let's call it as S2. Okay. From the S2 support, it went down again, and it has reached one certain point which you can see is here, which is very similar to the R1. Okay, the position of R2 either will be the same of R1 or it can vary very minutely. It won't be too much. Okay. So whenever you see, as I've already given you this advice, whenever you see two resistance, two support at a very similar place, at a very similar position, what you do, you clearly draw a line over, you try to match those 2 points. If they are matching, then that will be your resistance point. But as clearly is a head and shoulder, it has a condition that head should be below the both shoulders. Okay. So head should be the point where it should be in the least position and shoulder should be little above it as it's an inverse. Okay. So it came down and this will be our S3. It took support and from here you can clearly see it didn't came down. It went and it break. Indumati says, hi Yash. Hello Indumati and welcome to our live stream. You actually came very late. Because it's like kind of ending part. If you are a newcomer, I would like to tell you about our timing. I want to tell you about our timing. Our timing is actually from 6 to 7 Dubai time and India time will be 7:30 to 9 or 10 or 11 up to me how much long I can drag it. Okay, so if you want to come again tomorrow because it's a very end part you came, sorry for that. If you want to come for tomorrow, I told you about the timing. Timings from 7:30 to 9. Keep that in mind. Okay. So as it gave you a breakout, which you can see clearly that this is a breakout point from where the market has straight boosted to the another point. Okay. So that will be your breakout. So this is how inverse head and shoulder pattern will look for you to understand. And I told you already about this thing that you have to calculate the distance between the head and the neckline because that is the exactly margin profit which will give you the another thing like whatever distance is here will be here. Okay, let's not make garbage over here and clear all those things and let me take you to the chart.